And he's live! Welcome everyone! Oh my goodness, it's been a while, it's been forever since I played this game. Shame on me! I'm embarrassed to say that I haven't played this game in almost a month. I think it's been a month. I think it's been exactly a month. Thank you Supercry for the retweet, you are first! Thank you. Alright, so, yeah, I'm gonna continue back where I left off. I hope the audio quality is fine. Look, there's so many people in chat already. There's Dada, there's Levi. Finally, the wait is over. Lower the volume. Lower the volume. Okay, hold on. Which volume? My voice, or the game voice? Tell me. I think you mean the... Do you mean my voice? I'm expecting feedback. The thing is, I'm not really. There's Barry and hold on, because I'm not really testing right now. I'm only using one computer. My voice. All right. Is it any better now? Perhaps. Is it better now? Is it better, or maybe a bit lower? It's blowing my ears. Lemao. It should be fine now. It should be fine. Hello, Dendi. Welcome. Welcome. All right. Keep giving me feedback, guys. Keep giving me feedback because I'm not really. I'm not really watching the stream on another computer today. I'm doing an exception, so everything is blind, pretty much. Alright, so, Pokédex 22, it doesn't really say how much further I've got. Look, there's like those little crystals at the bottom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 of those. Lowered with 10% more. Alright, so right now it's like what? Alright, so that's pretty much 10%. Is that good? Is that good? Mr. Barry, King Barry. Alright, Barry's gonna be joining me very soon and we're gonna battle. We are going to battle. Actually, if you want to, if you're ready now, we can go for it now if you want. It's up to you really. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, speaking of mystery gift, hang on a sec. I need to claim my feedback. You look good, Vloggy Lols. But oh well, thank you, Levy. Thank you, Level, for the congratulation of the PRL, and thank you for saying I look good, Dada. All right, hold on. I need to claim my. How do you claim it though? Mystery gift. Hold on. I need to claim the Magirna. How do you do that? Receive gift. Get fire for it with code password. Is that it? It's not it. No. QR code. Attention, if your battery runs out, blah blah blah. Would you like to receive it with a code or a password? This will connect to the internet. Yes, thank you very much. Now, if the camera goes on, you're gonna see my feet. All right, let's see. Please stand by. Hold on. Enter the code or password. No. Okay, so it's not this. This is not it. No. Back. How do I go back? I was watching your Johto Stardust hunt right now. I got all of them, by the way. I can't go back. Alright. End the communication. Check the card album. No. So no. None of these. You can battle right now. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. So you can join in the Discord right now if you want. Hopefully it works again. Because sometimes it's amazing. It works during testing, but it doesn't work during the real thing. Alright, hold on. Oh man, I'm curious about this whole Magirna. I need to claim my Magirna. Alright, I want to show you my Johto starters while I'm here. Hold on. If I have any of them. Because I was breeding them. Alright, I got a bunch of eggs here. But I was breeding them. I have a lot. And I can... Do you believe it's better to take the starters at the beginning of the game so you won't be too strong or faint? Interesting. Interesting. That's a very good question. I don't know. No, I think it's better if your Pokemon are halfway trained. You don't want to risk, I don't know, them getting away or something. No, don't risk it. Or them fainting you or something like that. I wouldn't risk it. Let me show you my my starters. Hold on. Is Barry here? Barry? There he is! There he is!
Yes!
There he is. Can you guys hear him okay?
Hello, everyone.
There's Mr. Barry. Hello, Barry. Let me see if I can increase your volume. Maybe, hopefully it doesn't overpower.
I mean, I can talk like this, like I did before.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
So yes.
Hold on.
Oh man, is that team in your layout the one you're gonna use? Because if so, I don't know.
Oh
That's pretty
man, you can see
scary.
my team. I cannot surprise you. I just realized. No!
I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. I just closed the stream when I entered Discord, and I have the memory of a goldfish. All I can remember is a Matang and a Leafeon, and that's it.
Yeah, but that's the team. Yeah, that's the team. All right, so
Okay.
these are my starters right here. I have my Cyndaquil and my Chikorita and my Totodile. These are the legit ones, the ones I caught here. And actually, one of them, I think I got it from a trader. There it goes, Zozion. And the other ones I just bred. I don't know if you can see them. I bred so many Chikoritas and Totodiles and Littens. So yeah, okay, so let me deposit all the eggs real quick. Because I was breeding.
I have
Look.
to prepare my team.
Everyone is saying hello to Barry in chat. Say hello to them. Because you haven't in chat already.
Vloggy, hello. How are you all doing?
Alright, so, hold on. I'm getting confused now. So, I'm gonna put the eggs right here for now.
Just for the sake that I'm not gonna cheat, I cannot look at the chat. So
That's fine.
you'll have to read everything directed towards me to me.
It's fine. Okay, it's fine. Don't worry. I will. I will.
Thank you.
Yeah, but that's pretty much the team. The one you see in the layout.
Again, I only know Leafeon and Matang. The rest already forgot.
I was so annoyed when I got this game because the thing is, you know how there's exclusive Pokemon for Sun and some exclusive for Moon?
yeah.
And I really wanted the Vulpix, the Snow Vulpix.
Yeah.
I really wanted that, and I realized it wasn't only exclusive in Sun. I'm like, no! I would have gotten Sun just for that, but then I managed to get it in Wonder Trait at least.
Right, yeah, that's a nice thing. Also, there might be a surprise coming your way later on in the
No,
stream.
I don't like surprises, but yeah.
You don't?
That
Okay,
means I'm
well,
gonna lose or I'm gonna get trashed or something.
Sure. That's, yeah, sure.
Probably. So then I do battle. Have we added each other already? I think we have. Have
No,
we?
we have.
Have I added you?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we have.
Okay.
I saw you in my friend list.
Alright, okay, that's
when I
good.
put it on my 3DS. It's so nice to talk to you with no latency going on.
I know, right?
When I watch your streams, it's always like I say something and then I have to wait like 2 minutes before you respond. And also when you're playing Resident Evil, got those long cutscenes going on. Yeah, that's
Because yeah, I like to shut up during cutscenes. You see, I get a lot of
Yeah.
feedback, obviously, and I like feedback. I like feedback from chat, and sometimes they tell me, "Dude, shut up during cutscenes. Shut up. You just won't shut." And
Really?
Yeah, I get that, and that's fine. I appreciate that because even I hate people talking over a cutscene, and I'm doing it, you know. And this
Right,
week,
yeah.
for the first time ever, I had somebody telling me, "You should talk more on your streams." What? What? You can't make everyone happy.
Yeah, exactly. You can't please everyone. I mean, when it's silent during cutscenes, you can talk.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I do. I shut up when there's dialogue, but if it's a cutscene where there's, there are only visuals happening, I tend to, if there's anything in the chat going on, I'll respond. You gotta find a perfect combination between shutting up and opening up.
Exactly, the right balance. Levi says he got his copy of Pokemon Moon just a few days ago, and I just get my mind. I look forward to battling you, Levi. Seriously. So we'll exchange friend codes or something. I should put my friend code on the stream, actually. Why didn't I do that?
I don't know. Why
I
didn't
put
you?
so much stuff on the stream. I like to keep it clear out of chat is already in the way, I think. And then there's the I love the Pokemon team on the side. I love that. When you're streaming a Nintendo 3DS, you have to have double screens, so that's another thing. There's no room for face cam.
Well, I mean, you can look at my stream. I seem to make that.
Yeah,
happen.
it is. Yes, it is very organized. Your layout.
However, I do have to. I obscure a part of the lower screen, but there's usually not that much happening on the lower screen. All the fun stuff is happening on the top screen. So.
All right, I need to answer something. Levi asked me, what move does Litten need to learn before it evolves? Levi, if you go on Serebii.net, that's what I use, Serebii, Serebii, Serebii.net, and you click on Pokédex, you have to choose the Sun and Moon Pokédex, obviously, because obviously it changes every single time. And then we go on Litten, Hijkl, Litten, hold on, because even I'm curious now. Litten, there he is. And I just checked the last move Litten learns, which is... The last move he learns is Outrage, but I don't care about Outrage.
Outrage.
Yeah, but I don't care about Outrage. I care about Flare Blitz. That's level 43.
Ooh.
Flare Blitz is level 43.
Oh, that's why you're not evolving your legend.
Exactly, because if I
Nice.
do fully evolve Litten, he will learn Flare Blitz instead of
Yeah,
43 at... I'll tell you exactly.
That's
instead
kind
of-
of like how Mudkip can learn Hydro Pump at level 43. I think I did that once during Pokemon Emerald, just because I wanted that OP move.
He will learn Flare Blitz at 55. You see, I don't want to wait till 55.
Ooh.
And then at 66, he learns Cross Chop, which is fantastic. He will still learn Cross Chop. And I don't mind. And he can still...
You can always breed and, get egg moves like that.
You
but-
can do that too, yeah. But then again, yeah, so Serebii.net, I suggest. Alright, are you ready?
Am I ready? That's a good question.
No, take your
I'm
time,
still
no rush.
organizing.
No problem, take your time. I thought you were waiting for me, because I'm just walking around.
Strategic about this.
Did since I played the Pokemon demo, do you request your Ash Greninja? You know what? The thing is this, the demo is on my 3DS without the capture card. And I've been playing the Sun and Moon as a digital copy on my other 2DS, with the one with the capture card. So I can't link them for now. But when I buy Pokemon Sun as a hard copy, I will claim the Ash Greninja there. I should buy it next week actually, because I'm gonna miss out on the Munchlax. I want both Munchlaxes.
Both Munchlaxes. There are
Yeah.
only two, right?
No, the thing is this.
There's only one.
One per copy. But if I'm buying both copies, might as well claim the other one as well.
Oh.
Just like what I did
Okay.
with Beldum in
Oh,
Pokemon Omega Ruby and
the
Alpha Sapphire, I
Pokemon
think.
Sun get... Oh, yeah. Right. I have to do one more thing.
That's okay. I have no idea where to go next in this game. I haven't played it in a while. It says, I got a med friend. I do love good Mudsdale. Good Mudsdale. It just looks so
Mudsdale?
strong
Oh,
and
that-
sturdy, yeah?
yeah.
But where do I go
Yeah.
from here? I forgot.
I don't know.
Charizard Glide. I forgot. Let's see.
God, Alola's pretty.
Too much water.
Don't you start. No, I was so upset when they did that. Well, IGN. I didn't like IGN anyway, but they gave, I think, Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire 7.8 because there was too much water. And that's... I mean,
The
I can write
destination.
an entire bucket list as to why that's wrong, but...
The destination in the game is, according to the map, is where you have the flag, right? Am I saying that correctly? Is that where you should go, where you have the flag?
I'm
Not so sure. I haven't played this game in ages. Let's see.
And you were all about, I'm gonna stream the heck out of this game when
I
get
did.
it," and-
I did. I streamed 12 hours when it came out.
Personally, you did it to me personally, and you didn't hold your promise.
Oh, so many
So-
games, so little time. And this is one of my favorite games ever, huh?
So many games. What are you talking about? You keep replaying Resident Evil.
Yeah, but still, I haven't beaten those games.
You haven't?
No, not all of them.
Oh well, as I recall, you're doing one over again on professional mode.
I finished that, and I got the amazing gun. That's why I was finishing up professional, because there's a gun I needed to unlock. And I did it. I got an amazing OP gun. It's fantastic. I actually dreamt about the gun then. I kid
dreamt
you
about
not.
the
I
gun?
did. I dreamt about the gun.
Okay then. What is this? Ooh.
Have you gotten to the point where you have to? No, I don't want to spoil anything. Never mind.
Yeah, don't.
No.
I just got on the third island.
I think I am on the third island as well. Not so sure. What's the island called? Do you
How about
remember?
on the third- Oh God.
The
as
first
much
one-
as I love this game, I can't remember any of the names. I just can't.
Hey Dash,
No,
welcome.
It's the one after Akala Island.
The one after. Hang on, let me check the map real quick.
I'm bad with Hawaiian names. I'm sorry.
I am on Ula Ula Island. Wow, very Hawaiian.
Yeah, that's. I just got on there.
There you go. You're almost there then.
Hmm.
Manchlax. Is that a
Oh,
new
I-
laxative pill? Oh, shut up now. Good one.
I mean, it could. It does sound like it. Munchlax. Or maybe something for stomach pains, maybe? I don't know.
Munchlax.
Um,
It's something that you probably have to. You know, for those people who have a hard time taking pills, so this is something probably you chew on. A munch laxative. A laxative that you munch on.
Right, yeah, 'cause you munch on it?
Exactly.
Right. Yeah. You should go into the pharmacy business.
There we go.
It's like a good idea.
I'll get sued if
Alright.
I name a product Munchlax. Definitely.
Yeah, you'd have some issues with Game Freak, I think. Is every Pokemon name patented?
Wow, that's a very good question.
I wonder. I mean, I imagine it's Pikachu. Pikachu, of course, is patented, but
Once I did an
they-
experiment. If you go on a. Let me try it. Let me try it real quick. Let's just say I go bulbasaur.com. Bulbasaur.
oh,
.com.
Bulbapedia. Or,
Let's see what it takes. No. It takes you to pokemon.com/pokedex/bulbasaur. You see?
Oh, by the way, if one Pokemon, if we're battling, we're doing 6 versus 6.
Mm-hmm.
One Pokemon uses a Z move. Are the other ones capable of doing the others?
No, you can only use Z move once. You can only use the crystal once.
Oh.
As far as I
mean,
know. Just
yeah,
like Mega
I get that,
Evolution.
but can you, if I use it on, if I use a Z move on one Pokemon and I switch out to another one, can I use that one
No.
as well?
No.
Okay, well then it doesn't, then I shouldn't put a Z crystal in every Pokemon I have.
I mean, you can just leave them there. You'll have the option.
Yeah, I could, but
Why am I giving
that
you
wouldn't be
tips?
a good
Why am I
idea.
giving you tips?
Because you're a good friend and you can't lie.
Yes. I'm a rival first, friend. Friend second. Alright, do you have much longer? Should I make a battle first? Should I go on a Pokemon battle?
I'm just giving my Pokemon items. After that, we can get into it.
I'm not even bothered with
Shouldn't take
Pokemon
longer
items. I
than,
should do that.
Yeah, I mean, just make it hold anything. Anything is better than nothing. I mean, well, it has to be a logical item. I mean, giving a mystical water to an Arcanine
Yeah.
doesn't really do anything. All right. I really love the Z move on Snorlax, Breakneck Blitz. It's ridiculous.
They're all holding holding items actually. There's no point really. And I don't feel like switching around because but that's fine. That's fine. I'm going to leave them as it is.
I'm almost done. Give me one more minute.
Okay. TYT. How do you battle friends? I have no idea how you do that in this game. I've never done it.
You gotta go to the plaza.
Yeah, you go to the plaza and then we'll see. We'll figure it
And
out.
then I don't know what you have to do. I don't know.
I hope we don't end up googling this. I saw online how you can troll on Wonder Trade. You know how there are certain Pokemon that need to be traded to be evolved, like Machamp, for instance, or a Gengar.
yeah.
You know, you can train the Haunter to someone, and when they see it, they're gonna be like, "Oh, I'm getting a Gengar! I'm getting a Gengar!" And then he doesn't evolve because he's holding an Everstone.
Oh,
It's so good.
That's terrible. That's so bad. That's evil. That's evil.
Or like a very embarrassing nickname. A very good Pokemon,
yeah.
a very good Pokemon like a Dragonite, like you have to use it because it's a very good Pokemon, but he has an embarrassing nickname that you can't change.
And you can't change
And you
that.
cannot change it
Yeah.
exactly.
Oh, that's terrible. Okay, I think I'm done.
All right, I'm gonna go to the
I'm
plaza.
done.
All right, now I'm at the plaza, and then what? There's an oh, hold on.
Then you gotta wait for me.
Yeah, I'm just looking around first.
Okay.
I think if you go into the plaza, I think I'll see you with these people that are coming in online here. I think that's what it is. Could it be? Or these people are just NPCs. Interesting. I don't know.
Okay. Festival Plaza. We might have to Google this. I don't know. Link battle. Single battle. Where are you?
I'm walking around, checking the people out to see if one of them is you or something.
Yeah, did you go online yet? Did you press the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right screen?
I don't think I have. Okay, you will be connected to the internet now. Ah, okay. Oops.
There you go.
Oops. Noob.
I mean, you'd have to wait until I go to Malta so we can do wireless.
Yeah. Yep.
And then I'm just suddenly knocking on your door and then... Are you using your webcam right now? You're not, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
I didn't do my hair today, so no webcam.
I didn't do my beanie. either.
No beanie. Beanie-less Barry.
No, I don't. I said I didn't readjust it or anything.
Okay.
I didn't wash it.
So I'm looking around again now, checking people out again. Hold on.
Yeah, what? No, you're not Kev. No.
I'm Vloggy Buddy.
Yeah, I know you
Alex.
are. Whoa, really? I thought you were PewDiePie.
Okay, no.
Oh, where are you?
No.
Where are you?
No, none of these guys are you. No, I don't
you
think it works
supposed
like
to
this then.
Oh. Oh, okay. That's weird.
Kazuma.
What?
What if I, hold on.
Who are these people?
Battle. Link battle? Perhaps what's a link battle?
That's what we have to do if you want to battle me.
Alright. Oh, oops. Okay then. So single battle. And
Yeah.
then...
And then I think you can send me an invite, maybe.
How do we do this? I don't see you though. I'm assuming your name is Barry or something. Yeah?
Yeah.
Guest
yeah.
list. Hold on. Guest list, VIP list. Oh, where are they?
I see you. I see you. I see you. Would you like?
Oh, I see you now. Yes, I see you too.
I would love to play with Fluggy.
Alright, are you sending the request first then?
Yes.
Alright. So I won't do anything then.
Nice glasses.
Yeah, baby.
You watched Austin Powers recently, right?
Yep.
That stream was chock full with Austin Power references.
Yeah, I was having an Austin Powers-ish day.
Yeah, definitely. It felt like that.
Alright, here we go. Alright, so.
Okay.
This is gonna happen. This is gonna happen.
This is gonna be disappointing for me. I think.
No, I don't think so. I think you're gonna give me a hard time.
Would you like to decide the battle rules? Yes, because I know. I'll set the battle rules.
Barry is deciding battle rules.
Yes. I guess we. Okay, so normal rules. Set all to level 50. Yes.
Yeah.
Number of Pokemon 1 to 6. Special Pokemon permitted. Same Pokemon permitted. Yes.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes.
Go ahead.
That's it. Okay. That's basically default.
Okay, so participating team not selected. So let's see. Okay. So confirm.
Okay. Confirm.
Yes. Checking the battle team. Okay. Alright, now.
Let the battle begin, I guess.
Let the battle begin. Let's see.
Oh, I am.
Barry done,
I
it
have
says.
butterflies. Yeah, Vloggy done as well.
Please select participating Pokemon. Okay. It's pretty much the first one that has to go in now. Let's see. Ooh, I see your Pokemon.
I see yours too.
Alright, so what do you have? Okay. And then the rest, it doesn't matter. I just need to choose the first one.
Yes.
All right, I'm gambling here. I'm gambling. We'll see.
Same.
I'm ready.
I think
This is gonna be epic.
Okay, there we go. Oh man. Oh, look at us. Yes.
Look at me with my sunglasses.
And look at me with my non-beanie hat.
Non-beanie.
I was really angry when I
Yeah.
learned that there was no beanie available. There was a beanie in Generation 6.
Exactly. Yes.
They got rid of the most important feature in Generation 7.
It's true. Hey, Marco Campo. Hi. No way! No
I
way!
guessed
What
right.
what are the odds?
I guessed right.
What are the odds? You had
should
two
tell
water
you that
types. An electric type? Come on! Two electric types you had. What are the odds? It's okay. Let's see. No, there's no way.
I have a little bit of competitive in my blood from the
There's
past.
no way. There's no way.
I am chuckling so hard right now. I am.
It's fine, it's fine.
Is it really? Ooh, Snorlax. Okay.
Snorlax.
Well, bye, Snorlax. Oh, all right. Matan.
That is a good move.
Thank you.
I'm not sure what to do.
I would love to ride an Arcanine. Well, it seems very fluffy.
Alright, let's try. There we go. Oh, come on!
Ooh! 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 Yes.
Wrong move, wrong move, wrong move. Oh man.
Just right, just right. Oh, yes. I am enjoying this.
Yes, Mark, this is
Afraid that I
Pokemon.
lost-
Sorry.
I was afraid that I lost everything that I knew about competitive, but now it's all coming back to me, and I'm really happy about that.
GG.
Thank you.
GG. Alright.
Yeah, I was thinking, you're going on for a while, right?
Yeah, probably.
What if we scatter the battles throughout this evening?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
So we do one now, maybe one in an hour, and then maybe one...
Sure, yeah.
And then,
But you
yeah,
said you're gonna
okay.
be streaming around 7, yeah?
I guess I'm not.
It's up to you, really. I don't want to get in the way of your stream.
No, I'm in the mood to watch streams instead of streaming today. I've been watching streams all day today, so... And I've been reading, which is nice.
That's
Ooh,
good.
Psyduck. Okay.
Alright, please, Psyduck, don't fail me. Please, Psyduck, don't fail me.
Wait, oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Psyduck!
Oh, it looks really angry. Ooh, good job. I did not expect that. Hydro Fort. Okay. It's not very pretty. No. Oh no, it's like I'm being sucked up in a dishwasher. Yeah. GG.
Yeah, baby!
Okay. Good.
I'm so happy with this Psyduck. The Psyduck is... the fact that it's shiny, it's just... my love.
So now that you used a Z move, you can use another one again.
Who knows? Let's see. Huh. Let's try again.
Try again. Oh. Leaf. Alright. Alright.
Ooh, Oh! Oh! Hello, Herman. Welcome. And no, Mark, I haven't played Pokemon Sun yet. I'm just playing Moon. I finish Moon and then I'll start Sun as well.
Come on, come on, come on.
He did look like he went Super Saiyan, eh?
Yes.
Psyduck. Alright, so.
Psyduck is a force to be reckoned with.
I have an idea. Please don't fail me. It shouldn't. It shouldn't fail me.
Please, please.
Oh, nice.
Okay, now, but no, okay, we're not done yet. It actually has to hit itself. Otherwise, it doesn't matter. Come on, come on.
Mm.
Yes! Okay.
For a second, I thought it puts me to sleep. I got confused. I like this version of Raichu.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes!
And oh.
If I can get 5 of those, if I can get 5 of those. Hey, Emily, welcome. Varo, welcome.
You, okay. That's cute.
If I can get 5 of these, I wish I didn't tell you that, but. Alright, I guess I won't be getting 5 of those.
No. I mean, trying to get 5 sand attacks with a Leafeon, that's quite ballsy.
I pull it off most of the time.
You really? Mm-hmm. With actual online players? With brains?
Yes. Oh, come on. Yeah, but probably kids. Probably kids.
Right.
Alright.
Ooh, I might get a sweep off.
Ooh,
Maybe.
if I can manage to pull this off. If I manage to pull this off. Oh, man. Hold on. Let me see how much this one does damage.
You have to look it up? Wow. Alright.
Yeah, I don't know the numbers by heart.
No, me neither. I'm just kidding.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh. Were you trying to make me... Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah, because I'm a psychic now, aren't
Exactly.
I? Yeah. Yeah, I didn't notice that.
Varo's making fun of me because I said 5 sand attacks. I pull that off all the time, okay?
Yeah, but
Nobody believes me.
it's such a weird strategy.
What? Weird
I mean,
strategy?
by the time every move starts to miss, someone's already gonna swap out.
No.
Yes, that's exactly how it works. That's why I was kind of weirded out to see a sand attack.
You just have to wait till my team gets tougher. You remember that all my Pokemon are babies, okay?
Yeah, well, mine too, remember? I don't know.
What? Raichu is evolved.
Well, so is Matang. Partially, second stage. And you have a Snorlax. And a Leafeon. You have teenage Pokemons.
Exactly. Oh, pretty much. Hey, Philly. Welcome.
Oh.
Herman is 16 years old and he plays Pokemon. What? I'm 31 and I play Pokemon.
You're 31.
I mean 26. No way, you pulled that off. Wow. Nice.
Okay, let's just top it off, shall we?
If I can pull this off,
You can pull that off.
I'm gonna try. Let's try.
Okay. Yes.
Nice.
Okay, if you can make it through a layer of confusion and paralysis, then I'll...
You'd be surprised. My Snorlax is tough. Ooh, he is!
And I bet he has that, like a berry that wakes him up.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, no?
Nope.
Alright.
But he's got something better, actually. Are you ready?
Are you gonna... Oh, you're gonna sleep talk, aren't you? I feel like you are. Ooh, oh!
Oh, he's still confused.
You're gonna sleep talk, aren't you? I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Please use sleep talk. Giga Impact. Okay. Well, thank you, Milestone. You've done...
He did well, and I like his nickname as well. Hey, Super
you.
Crier, welcome. Yeah, it is Barry, Philly. It is Barry. It's Barry. It's the Barry.
Hey, Willy! Welcome to Vloggy stream.
You see, I have very welcoming people now in my stream.
Yes, and I don't even see them.
It's Snorlax versus Snorlax. The epicness unfolds.
All right.
Okay. Oh, wow, of course, he recharges.
Oh!
I forgot about that.
In
I
that
for-
case, here I go. Here I go.
I don't think you're gonna hear you go.
I'm gonna get very cocky right now because you could wake up right now and I would be a pancake.
It doesn't make a difference if I wake up or not, actually. For me, it doesn't make a difference. Ooh, nice, 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 nice!
Don't Giga Impact. Don't.
Ooh!
Okay, come on. Come through.
Oh, he's tough.
Yes. Yes, he is. My little Vladimir.
Ouch, that's a good move. That's a good one. That's an ouchy one.
And you have to recharge, so
Ooh, that's right.
good job.
Hmm.
Okay. Litten.
Yeah, I'm just trying something.
Oh, you're
Ooh, I'm glad I
sacrificing.
did. I'm glad I did. He took the damage. Thank you, Lytton. Thank you so much. Hello, Eric. Welcome. Alright,
I still have a knot in my stomach. You're good. Well, you can become good still.
I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think.
Take your time. So,
I'm gonna
Vladdy,
try
What
again.
did you get? What did you get for Christmas?
Nothing. I don't do Christmas really. I get
Oh,
stuff for
that-
myself all the time, so I don't really need to wait for
Right.
Christmas.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you got European trips for yourself throughout the year.
Oh yeah, I forgot about those. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I forgot about those.
I would love a vacation present to Malta.
Ooh, this time next year I'm gonna be there. Mwah. Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
yeah.
Hold on, let me
Now
try
it comes
something.
down to who is faster. Oh, wait, and you're still asleep.
Ah, no.
Guess mine is more speed oriented.
Exactly.
I like that.
It's faster, and I'm pretty sure that's. I think mine is higher higher level than yours.
But that shouldn't matter though. 'cause
Yeah, but
everything
the
is gonna run up
values,
to
but the
50.
speed values and attack and stuff. No.
It gets balanced. But it also
Alright.
depends the Pokemon you are fighting, right? Because that has to do with the IVs and the EVs.
Yeah, exactly. It's true.
Maybe I fought some faster Pokemons. I don't know. Oh, great. We don't have any rain anymore.
What if I use this?
Water pulse. Okay.
Wow. Yes, that's what I was hoping for.
Oh, okay,
That's what I was
okay.
hoping for.
That's scary.
Oh, come on.
That would have, if I did hit myself.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Since when did your side get sturdy?
I know,
makes
right?
no sense.
Hacks. Wow, your Snorlax is so tough.
Thank you, Snorlax.
Wow. You trashed me. I told you. I told you you'd trash me. Wow.
If it makes you feel any better, you did scare me a few times.
Alright, let's try something
And
else.
who knows, maybe you can redeem yourself later.
No, I don't think so. This one's still a baby. All my Pokemons are babies.
I'm gonna destroy that thing with love. Well, actually, with my Snorlax.
What if I do this?
It's
I wonder
so
if it
white.
works. Hang on. Yes! Yes! Please, 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 please. Yes!
it?
Yes!
That's not gonna kill me though.
Seriously? What?
But I'm pretty sure Vulpix is not a very special
No! No! I honestly thought, oh, I confused Blizzard with Cheer Cold. Oh, man. I confused Blizzard with Cheer Cold. I thought it was a one-hit KO.
attack based. Wow, really? No! How? But Vulpix doesn't even learn Sheer Cold.
He
does it?
doesn't? I don't know.
No, of course not. I would like to see.
How
the
would you
video,
know that?
yes.
How do you know that? I'm gonna quickly check.
Well,
Have you checked
it's a
already?
pretty rare move, and I think only Kyogre or something gets it.
No, no. No.
It's definitely not a TM.
Sheer cold. He learns it at level 50. He learns it at level 50.
Really?
Yes.
How? How
He
does he look?
learns
Oh,
it.
oh, because it's Alolan and it's ice based.
Of course. Yeah.
I haven't encountered an ice Vulpix yet. You gotta.
Me neither. Me
understand
neither. I
that.
just told you that. I told you.
How did you get one then?
A Wonder Trade. Well, not
Oh.
Wonder Trade, actually GTS. I requested for a Vulpix, hoping somebody would send me an actual Alolan Vulpix, and I did get one. It was like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you
Alright,
thought
save-
Blizzard was a one-hit KO move.
Yeah, I confused it with Sheer Cold for a sec. Ugh! Try again.
So
Wanna go again?
how are we gonna do this right now? I mean, you're gonna continue your adventure, I'm sure. Do I just leave, or can we talk about things?
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have another one, but this time it's a double battle. How about that?
Oh.
How
now?
about that?
I thought we were gonna do it in an hour.
We'll do it in an hour, sure. Next one will
Alright.
be a double. Save video of this battle.
I did.
Yes.
I did.
Yes, I'm gonna save it so I study your moves.
Oh, you're gonna analyze me. Really?
Exactly.
Okay.
Mwahahahaha. Alright, so I'm gonna exit
I mean,
here.
I'm surprised I did that well. I mean, there was no strategy involved in my Pokemon team.
Me neither. Why are you laughing? I'm serious. I didn't put.
Because it's funny. I mean, even if we're equally bad, I'm still better. Wow, that
It's
sounds
true.
really shallow. Anyway, I can't wait for Pokebank to open because I really want to get my Generation 6 Pokemon over to Generation 7.
Me too. I have my
That's where all my
Charizard.
that's where... Wow. That sounds very Gen 1er-ish.
Yeah, I have. Well, he's
What is your favorite Pokemon, Vluggy?
It is Charizard. It is Charizard. It is Charizard. But it's a shiny Charizard Y.
Level 100, right?
Obviously, I trained the heck out of him.
Super rare Pokemon card. No, my favorite Pokemon is Deoxys.
Deoxys,
love
but that's a legendary. No, I don't count legendaries
Oh,
as.
So I can't have a favorite legendary Pokemon?
Yes,
I mean, don't get me wrong,
you
I
can.
use it in battle. I don't use it in battle because it's absolute shit. Well, in the tiers that I play in, but it's just so it wrecked ass in the movies. Have you seen the movie with Rayquaza?
Rayquaza. Yes, I have seen that. Yeah.
That one was so sick. And do you follow the Pokemon channel?
The Pokemon channel, as in the ones that they're doing, the ones.
The Generation.
Yeah, I'm watching those. Yeah.
Oh, Deoxys has got a very sick episode.
My favorite legendary is Lugia.
Yes. I cannot relate to that because Lugia is not anywhere near my favorite list.
Really? Really? No, I
No.
like Lugia.
But then again, did you grow up with Generation 2?
Generation 1 I grew up with, actually.
Well, I only became sentient when Generation 3 came out.
Ugh, I hated
So that
Generation
might-
3.
Why?
Because they were running... It's where they started running out of good Pokemon
Oh,
designs.
no.
Yes.
They used a magnet. And they used a Pokeball in Generation 1.
Yeah, it's true. It's true, but at least they didn't use... Oh, I can't think of any right now. Oof, I hate Lotad so much.
Why?
I hate Lotad.
It's
I don't know. It's
no
like
more
and
unoriginal than
Lombre
those.
and Lombre is like, what? You trying to give a Pokemon a sombrero? Really?
So, I mean, okay, now I gotta think of one.
And an ice cream Pokemon and a chandelier Pokemon and
Okay, but that's Generation 5.
yeah.
right?
I'm thinking of the items. A set of keys Pokemon.
But yeah, let's not forget, we have a magnum or a magnet. We have a rock with arms. We have.
I don't mind those. Those are
uh,
good designs. Those are good Pokemon designs.
That's so Gen 1er to say. That's just because you grew up with them. And
Probably.
of course, the first Pokemon are probably the best for everyone because, you know, it laid down the groundwork for all the future Pokemon. So of course, we're gonna compare everything to that, and anything that's worse than that is gonna be worse. I mean, look at Muck. What is Muck?
I love Muck. come on.
Yeah, but the design is
It's a
so...
pile of slime that
Look
came
at-
to life.
Look at Ditto. Ditto is probably the most lazy Pokemon design there is.
No, but that has to be simplistic because he changes. The Sandcastle Pokemon. Varo's talking about the Sandcastle Pokemon. That's right. Thank you. He actually has a
haven't
shovel
heard that one.
on his head.
That's because he evolved over years of
Come on.
evolution. He had to camouflage himself from children trying to stamp on it. I mean, they all adapt, and I kind of agree that's kind of silly. What really came to me as a shocker was when Generation 5 was still being announced. When they teased Alomomola, I think I can't pronounce that name. When they said that it wasn't going to be an evolution of Love Disc, I was like, what?
Oh, come
It
on.
looks so
Really?
clearly like an evolution of Love Disc. I mean, it's a heart-shaped fish. It's pink. It's everything that it has to be an evolution. Do you think that in the next generation we'll be seeing evolutions of older Pokemon? Because they kind of stopped doing that after Generation 4.
You know what I always wanted? Like a fourth evolution. I want a fourth evolution. But I don't want a temporary one. I don't want a temporary one because that was so Digimon to do that.
What? Oh, you mean Mega or Evolution?
Yeah, because they added a Mega Evolution. Like Charizard has another evolution, but it was only temporary. What? What? So it's like
Yeah.
it's like you're growing to become a man, but you can only do it temporary. Then you go back to being a boy. Like what?
It's
like
like
your
drugs.
puppy turns into a dog, a fully grown dog, but only for 5 minutes. He's gonna go back to being a
Yes,
puppy
and
again.
Ampharos grows hair and becomes a dragon. Like, what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, is Mega Evolution supported in Generation 7?
What's that again? Sorry.
Does in Generation 7 do they support Mega Evolution? Is it in there?
I don't know. I haven't done a Mega Evolution in this game so far. I haven't.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, is it possible or
I don't know.
did
And
they
there's
kind of
and there
forget about
was
that?
since there hasn't been trades from older games, nobody has been able to
That's true.
transfer a Mega Stone so far. So nobody has tried using one. You know.
You know what I would love? I would love DLC, like not just Pokemon, like maybe clothing.
Sorry, I'm getting a bit
No?
distracted. I'm playing the game. I'm trying to read what's going on. Sorry. I found the timer ball. Sorry about that. You were saying sorry.
I would be interested in DLC, like clothing.
In DLC for clothing. No. Please don't give them any ideas. DLC for paying actual money for fake.
Paid DLC. Can you? That is if Pokemon went the EA way.
Yeah,
right?
don't even recommend something like that.
No, I just mean like the way how they distribute Pokemon. You know, just free DLC.
I don't know.
I really want my beating. That's just why.
Okay, Crazy Carton just joined, welcome, and he's telling us that Megas are in, and I believe that Megas are in. They can't take a step back. If they introduce something, they can't go back from them. It's
That's
just
true,
post
they
game,
have
he
to
said.
own up to it.
Alright, he's saying it's post game, so apparently after the game, we will encounter Mega Evolutions then. Interesting.
Okay, good.
Interesting. Thank you for that.
I want to. You know what I want to see? I want to know how Giratina origin form looks in Generation 7.
Yeah. Oh, I found a Sunstone.
Ooh.
But
you
it has
can use
no...
that for. I don't
nobody.
know.
For nobody.
Yeah.
I need...
What is a sunstone again?
How do I evolve? How do I evolve Vulpix, by the way? Hold on. This is interesting. How do I evolve Vulpix? It's a
Oh,
free-
you give it a Firestone, I think.
No, Vulpix is a fire ice type now.
I keep forgetting. Oh, come on. You
Come
gotta
on.
forgive me. Okay, I'm gonna guess it's somewhere in level 30.
Hold on, let's see.
Is it
No,
like
no, it's a
level
stone. What
based?
is the stone? An ice stone. I never heard of an ice stone. An
That's
ice stone
new,
exists
yeah.
now. Yeah. I would like to know.
Yeah, because in Generation 4, you had to go to like an actual ice rock within the game. Like,
Exactly,
Boulder.
exactly.
I remember. Generation 4 is so good on so many levels. I think it's also because of Cynthia. She's like probably the best champion.
I forgot beating Generation 4. I played it. We're talking about Diamond and Pearl, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I beat the game, but I don't remember. I don't remember much.
Okay.
It's been ages.
Who is your favorite champion?
My favorite champion. It has to be Lance. I like Lance.
Mm-hmm.
I like Lance. All right, no, I need to wait till level 50 before I evolve my Vulpix.
Oh, because of
Because of
Iron
sheer cold.
Rage?
I want
Oh,
sheer cold.
Right. Blizzard.
Yeah, Crazy Carlton is telling us that it is a new stone. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
man. I wonder where I get that from. No spoilers, but I'm sure I'll find a way. The
best
best champion
champion
is
is
blue, he says, Varo. I agree.
I haven't played Pokemon Red, Silver, Gold. Yeah. What is the difference between Pokemon? Okay, wait. So the first Pokemon games are Red and Blue, right?
First Pokemon games were red and blue and green, but green was Japan exclusive.
What is different about Green?
Nothing. It's just the exclusive Pokemon that you find, basically. They had to release 3 versions because there was the green for Bulbasaur, blue for Blastoise, and and so on.
Oh, right.
That's why they
okay,
released
and
3.
Then the next one was Gold and Silver.
No, actually, the next one was a special edition of those 3 games, which was Pokemon Yellow. It was the same game exactly, but instead of getting to choose from the starters, you are given a Pikachu.
Really? And just everything is the same?
It's exactly the same, but instead of choosing one of those 3, you get to have a Pikachu. No other. You don't have a choice. It's basically the only Pokemon game where you don't have a choice.
And in which game is Blue the champion?
Pokemon. Was it
Yellow?
Was it Pokemon Red, Blue, and Green? I think it was.
Okay, but then where was Lance champion?
Lance was champion in
Gold and Silver?
Gold and Silver, but then after Lance, there was you got to fight Red at the end. Did you go?
Right. Yeah.
we are Pokemon seniors.
I have no experience with play. Yeah, you guys are seniors. I have no experience with the original games. My oldest Pokemon game that I played was Pokemon Sapphire, and it doesn't. No, the first Pokemon that I actually played was Pokemon Leaf Green or Fire Red, either one, and I always thought that was the actual first game. I didn't know it was a remake. So, and when I found out, I was like really weirded out, and I was like, wait, so I'm playing Generation 3 or 1 or what? What is going on? And after that, I started playing Pokemon Alpha, or not Alpha, no, Sapphire. Then I got Emerald. Then I got Pokemon Diamond. Then I got Soul Silver, and I remember getting the little Pokewalker with it. That was really nice.
Yeah, I still have it.
Really? Does it still work?
You
can change the battery, right?
I think I took out the battery out of it. I hope I did. Otherwise, it's full of acid. I think I did remove the
the first
battery.
time they were going to include external accessories to market their new Pokemon game.
You just remind me
I
of that
like that.
device. I used to take it with me to the gym on the treadmill to train
Yes,
my
me
Dragonite. I used to
And
do that.
What I used to do was when I was lazy and I didn't want to, I was just shaking it in a very phallic motion, just to get a lot of steps on it.
man.
Because you could walk your Pokemon, right, and then you could get items, or you would level them up.
Exactly,
Or you
yes,
can-
uh-huh.
Eggs, I think. God, what does that thing do? I don't remember.
So I'm reading comments. Green and blue are the same. They came out with blue and red with the international release with better sprites. Yes, the sprites were redesigned. I remember that. Yes, sprites were redesigned.
Oh, okay.
And Pikachu actually went Pikachu in the game. It's a Game Boy
Oh,
game,
really?
and there was a Pikachu recorded voice when you press start in the beginning of the game.
Oh, that must have been a very weird noise, seeing as everything was what, 16-bit?
8-bit. 8-bit.
8-bit. Wow, I'm really young.
You are so young, Barry.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
wait,
kids
you know-
these
you know
days.
what? Oh my god, don't you start. I mean, next year I will become officially an adult. And I'm not looking forward to it because I don't like taxes. I do not like taxes. I want to save my money for newer Pokemon games. So what is your favorite Pokemon game again?
My favorite Pokemon game, I would say it's Pokemon X and Y, because it revolutionized the generation.
true.
They
I
revolutionized.
would say that
What we
it
have
was
today
the-
is because of X and Y.
Well, yeah, naturally.
It was amazing. That game was
I think
fantastic.
graphically it was the biggest change. because everything before that was still sprite based and pixel based, and then they shifted to polygons and everything.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's funny if you look back to Pokemon X and Y now, everything has such a big head in the overworld.
Exactly. Yes.
Now in Moon and Sun, everything is more proportional. Like now, I want to look at the graphics of Pokemon X and Y. Let me look. Oh, and what was the big city called again? That was based after Paris.
Lumoise City. Lumoise.
Right. Lemonade City. That city was. I always got lost, and I still would probably. And I kind of like that. I like being in such a big city. I guess the only city that kind of did that before that city was that revolving city in Black and White.
Revolving
You know, the
City.
one. Okay, hold on. It's like the biggest city in Black and White.
Oh yeah, I know which one. Yes, the one with the high buildings and there's like billboards.
It's like faux 3D.
Yes, and the city turns when you're walking. The city turns, kind of.
That
Yeah.
was mind blowing when I first saw that. That was Castelia City, and then you had the
And the bridge.
and the people walking by.
People
the
walking
NPCs
by.
that didn't
Yes,
talk
and
to you,
mumbling. Yeah.
and it made everything feel so much bigger.
And the bridge. I love the bridge as well.
And it's funny because before that city, I always thought Pokemon was in its own time zone or in its own year. It was very old. I thought it was. It's kind of like how Naruto has its own year. Like it's not completely modern.
Exactly. Even Dragon Ball, just like Dragon Ball as well.
Exactly. But when they introduced Castelia City, I knew that it's basically modern day. They have cars, they have everything. But I'm sure that somewhere in the anime they have cars and telephone. Well, no, I don't know. It would be funny if in Pokemon they suddenly grabbed their iPhones and would just start calling each other. No, they would grab the V Seeker.
That was exactly that was
Something like that.
something like that was introduced in Gold and Silver. Actually, you had like the phone. Your mom would call you.
Yes,
You had some
yes.
players that actually called you and said, "Listen, after a battle, they'd be like, I'd be interested in a rematch. Would you like to exchange numbers?" Exchange, not sex change. Exchange numbers. You exchange numbers, and they would call you up and say, "Listen, I'm on Route 4. Come and battle me again." And their Pokemon would
yes.
actually be evolved. If you battled a Poliwag earlier, this time it would be a Poliwhirl, for instance.
Oh yeah,
That was good. That was very
that's
smart.
the pronunciation.
I don't know. I studied French, and it feels like I have to say Lumoise. Lumoise. I don't know. Anyway, I'm trying to get into the game, but I'm getting distracted. I'm sorry if I go quiet.
sorry,
No, it's
I'll
fine. It's
go.
fine. No, it's fine. I don't want you to
Okay,
leave,
no?
but
Okay.
I don't want to spoil the game to you either, so I can't read out loud. I just have to go quiet sometimes.
Okay, that's fine.
I love how
keep
I love
talking
how
then.
there's an Alolan variant of Professor Oak as well in this game.
Really?
Yeah, the other Oak, his cousin or something. He's a darker tone. Have you not noticed?
Oh, I think I saw something about that in leaks and updates on the game before it was released, but I have not encountered him myself.
You must have. If you made it to this island, you must have encountered him already.
Maybe.
You just
what's
didn't
his
realize,
name?
probably. His name is
What's his-
Oak as well, but he's a very dark human being with white hair, and he's wearing
Dark
a
human
Hawaii.
being. That's very funny. That's very funny.
Oh, hello, Alola. Here in the Alola region, volcanic eruptions can result in long, thin strands of magma, and they form strands of glass rather like hair. Okay. But the hair on the Diglett here is not glass.
That is also such a weird Alolan
Oh
form.
my goodness, I hate that's my least favorite Alolan form, the Diglett with hair.
I mean, it's so lazy. It's just tufts of hair.
Seriously, I mean, like what? The Diglett has like 3 hairs, and then the fully evolved Ductrio is like a wig. They have like a wig. I hate that. But the hair on the Diglett is not glass, but rather whiskers of some metallic substance. Oh, interesting.
It doesn't even look metallic.
It just like it looks very Trumpy.
Yeah, it looks like it's actual hair, like it can bend.
Exactly. They use them for communication
Samson
as a
Oak.
sort of sensor to investigate their surroundings. Here, I've been wanting to give you this. Please don't give me a Diglett. Oh no, it's just a Pokeball. Samson Oak. Yeah, that's right. His name is Samson Oak.
Samson Oak.
Yeah.
Hmm.
All right.
Do you also have a hard time with remembering the names in this game?
Not the names of the people though. I remember the names of the people, but I don't remember the names of the
The Pokemon.
of the places. No, of the places.
Oh,
I
okay.
think they kind of overdid it with the Hawaiian names. Ula Ula and Mele Mele and
yeah,
Coco
they're all
something.
double compound words.
Yeah, and Coco. There's a Pokemon Coco something. I laughed so much because
Tapu
Coco.
Koko.
Tapu Koko, that's right. And it's funny because Coco and Maltese is actual poop.
Oh, that's,
Yeah.
that's such a nice language. I gotta learn more Maltese.
Coco.
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 Coco. It sounds okay, but what is cacao in Maltese?
What is like as in
Cacao, as in the
cocoa?
chocolate.
As in cocoa. Well, I mean,
Yeah.
I don't think we have a word for cocoa in Maltese exactly.
Wow, what a terrible language.
I'm gonna Google it now. I don't know. We just
You
say
d-
chocolate.
You don't know it. I mean, you have. How old are you? 26, right?
Translate. Because no, there are some words that we don't have an actual word for them. Hang on, let me see. Cocoa, and I'm gonna translate it in Maltese. You got me curious now. It's a very interesting
About your own
word.
language.
Maltese. I wouldn't be surprised that even cow. Oh wow, cow. Interesting. Oh, interesting. It's Kaw. Cow. Interesting. I didn't know that. I just learned the word.
You just learned something about your own language.
Yes, I leveled up.
You leveled up in life.
Oh yeah. Okay, interesting.
That's cool. I'm glad I could teach you something about your own language, which is weird. Yeah.
What's the point of this building? I have no idea. I've been going around. I'm gonna speak to everyone real quick. I don't get what the point of this building is. I mean, it's like a geological center or something.
Oh.
Talking about volcanoes and stuff. What about you, lady? Welcome to the geothermal power plant. Learn about our plant. It's electrifying. Okay. Geothermal. Okay, there's nothing in here. There's your favorite Pokemon here, Magnemite. No, there's no point of this building, I think. It's a dead end. Sometimes I hear a beep in the game. I don't know what it is.
Are you sure it's not me?
Did you just do something?
I no, but it might be me. Did you have it before?
Yeah, I keep hearing it all the time. I mean, not all the time, but occasionally I hear this beep. I don't know what it is. Alright, where do I go? Where do I go? Pokédex, please tell me where to go. I hate that we have a live Pokédex. Our Pokédex is alive. I hate
Yeah,
that.
and it talks to you like.
I hate that.
Like, is it using telekinesis or something? Because that's how Pokemon in the anime
I hate
communicate
it.
to us.
I learned
Or-
to accept that there are a few Pokemon that speak. Yes, I accept that. All right, like Meowth, and there was
Lucario.
and there's Lucario, and there was Mewtwo. I accepted those kind of Pokemon. Yes,
Jirachi to Max.
but now I mean you have one that's almost annoying. It's like an annoying friend. He talks too much.
That would be That would be me.
No.
I am Rotom.
No, you are. If I had to give you, if I had to assign you a Pokemon, if I had to say you're a Pokemon.
Oh well then. Okay, this is gonna be fun.
It has to be one that isn't fully evolved. All right.
I'll take that.
I need to first. I need to determine what type you are. What type are you?
I'm.
I'm not gonna be mean. I'm not gonna say you're a fairy type.
Well, okay then. I mean, my favorite typing is no, actually, never mind.
I would say psychic.
Wow.
I would say psychic type if I had to give you.
I'll take that.
I don't know. Maybe because I just battled your Pokemon, but I keep thinking of Raichu, the psychic Raichu.
Right.
Look at this. We got a Merry Christmas raid.
What?
What? So many usernames. I'm not gonna be able to go through all the usernames, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna scroll up real quick. We've got Wolf Pie, and we've got Yumiami, and
my
we've got
goodness.
Hoodie, and we've got Ben Vance Colina, and we've got Tech Gaiman, and we've got Birkin, and we've got Black Beast. Anyone else? Anyone else? And Gertie and a pathetic giant. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Just Human Gaming. Oh wow. What else? What else? A gaming channel. I like that username. Revenger. And we've got Cascade and Skillskiller and Pyrolumen. Wow, so many usernames. Riz. Just Human Gaming. Revenger. I think I'm going over the same names now. Pikachu is the best. Are you still there, Barry? Barry died. Where's Barry? We've got Fasty Pace.
I'm here.
You died.
I
And we've
did
got
not die. No.
and we've
No, I
got
did not.
BIJ 10,000 subs. Is that 10,000? Yeah, that's a 10,000.
Oh, that's a Dutch name. It says by add 10,000 subscribers a video.
And so many usernames. I don't know if I went over the same names again. I'm sorry about that. Thank you for the raid, guys. Thank you so much. Welcome. I'm playing some Pokemon. Well, I don't want to say playing, but
We're talking.
we're
and
pretty much
playing.
talking. We're
Yeah.
pretty much just talking. Because the thing is this, I'm not a multitasker.
No, he's definitely not. No.
Somebody loves you. Tech Gaiman loves you. There you go. Barry, I love you.
I wonder who got you that raid. I am genuinely interested.
I don't know. I don't know who got the raid. Who was it? Speak up, Epic Loot. Speak up, whoever it was. I don't know. I just saw your
Maybe
username,
his name
Epic
is
Loot.
actually Merry Christmas. And
Merry
his raid is called
Christmasu.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Did you ever try that? Write Merry Christmas in Google Translate, translate it to Japanese, and then you press the voice so you can hear it being pronounced.
Is
and
it then
it's
like Merry
it's
Christmas?
Merry Christmasu. I kid you not.
That sounds good. That sounds like a name. A Merry Karisumasu.
Merry
no.
Christmasu.
Amurasu. I love Japanese, especially when they're trying to be English. That's great.
How about another battle, Barry? Because I'm really
Get them
wasting time.
better
I'm not really
jokes.
playing here. I'm just wasting time. Do you want to battle again?
Oh, you want to bat? No,
Yeah.
I have to get dinner in a bit though.
Oh, okay. Because
Like
since-
when I was silent, my mom came in and she was like, "Well, you got to be approachable at any moment because we're about to eat, and I don't want to."
Okay, all right. So here's what we're gonna do then. You go have your dinner. I'll play some of the game again.
Now.
Sorry.
We can talk to the people in the chat.
Yeah, we can still. I mean,
Also, it's Fasty Pace. Thank him.
where is he? Where is he? Fasty Pace. It was him. It was him who did the raid.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the raid. It sounds like it was a big raid. I'm not looking
It
at my
was.
stream, so I don't know
He
how
had
many.
A lot of people watching.
Sorry.
He had a lot of people watching.
Thank you so much. I have no idea. I have no idea how many people are watching, how many people actually came in because I don't even watch my own stream.
I think like 40 people.
Seriously? Come on, stop trolling.
Fasty Pace raids are big raids.
Really? Thank you so much.
Also, they love your accent. They love your accent.
You know,
I love your accent too. It's like sort of Italian, but not quite.
not quite.
That's because you're from Malta.
The thing is, I used to hesitate making YouTube videos. I started doing YouTube videos, and I used to hesitate because of my accent. And the way I sound, and like, oh, I have a gay voice. I'm like, oh, people are gonna make fun of me. And
I have a gay voice.
it's true. No, it's true. I was very self-conscious about my voice. Very, very, very. But then you start getting people like, I love your accent. You sound so good. I'm like, okay. Okay.
It's very endearing. Guys, don't subscribe to me. You gotta subscribe to
No,
me.
sub to Barry as well. No, why not? We're all a family here. We're all a family here.
You're my little gay uncle.
What? No.
you just said it yourself.
Oh, come on, man. I
And
showed.
you are older
Come
than me.
on, Barry. I showed you the ladies. Come on,
That's-
Barry.
Oh yeah, yeah. That picture of you and Pippa was really cute. I was like, do they? I wasn't sure.
What do you mean? You weren't sure.
Barry, translate this to him. Good luck with your YouTube channel.
Hey, thank you for the sub.
People love it and enjoy the views. There you go.
I love my sub alert. It's that Pokemon. What's his name? Oh, what's his name? That Pokemon. The guy that always holding his pants. Oh man, I forgot his name.
Oh, 1 second. I gotta grab my phone because my parents are gonna call me at any second to
Go,
come
go, go.
upstairs.
Go, go,
I'll be
go,
right
go,
back.
go. Take your time. Alright, so, where was I? I can't concentrate talking and playing at the same time. I just get distracted. I'm not a multitasker. I can't play the game. So, here we go. A gaming channel just subscribed. Thank you so much. Man, this is killing me. What's that Pokemon's name? The guy that's holding his pants. Oh man. Scrafty, that's right. That's right, that game. And thank you.
All right,
Scrafty.
I'm back. By the way, you were gonna assign me a Pokemon.
Yeah, I told you it was Raichu. Psychic type Raichu.
Oh, all right. Why?
Because I told you, you're actually, you know what?
I'm a surfer.
No, I
have
don't
a
know.
tail, I'm yellow.
I don't know. I think I'm being biased now because I saw your Pokemon and I just keep thinking of that Raichu.
Alright.
Hey, Crazy
Honestly,
Carlton,
I
thank you
think-
for the sub. Thank you so much. Scraggy, exactly. Scraggy is the one holding his pants. Look, I love that. I love that sub alert. I love that so much.
I think I'm a. No, that's Scrafty. You have a Scrafty, don't you?
Scraggy or Scrafty? I'm confused now. The one holding his.
Scrafty is the final evolution with his eyes lowered.
Okay.
Yeah, Scrafty is the evolution.
Thank you, Tech Game, and thank you so much for the sub. I'm confused now,
Right,
but
I'm
I like
sorry.
I like that notification so much. I'm so glad I did that one. I may have to change it for next month though, because next month I'm gonna be all about Resident Evil, because of
That's
Resident Evil
true.
7.
Yeah, you're gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna
pour
play all
yourself
the Resident
up.
Evil games. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and all the side games as well.
Also, yeah, no, you have a Scraggy.
Scraggy.
That's a Scraggy. Yeah. Also, after I get back from dinner, I'm gonna do one more battle, and we're gonna make it will be a double battle.
Yes, exactly.
Then I promised that I would talk with Fasty Pace on his 24-hour live stream.
Oh, he's doing a 24-hour live stream.
Yes, he just completed 8 hours, and after
Wow.
each 8 hours, he's doing a raid because right now he's getting like 30 minutes of rest.
That's so cool. That's so awesome.
I know, that's sick.
That's-
I wish I
that's-
can do that someday, but I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon.
I'm thinking of doing like a marathon on New Year's Eve. I'm thinking of doing that.
Ooh,
Next
okay. So
week.
you're gonna celebrate the new year with me at the same time?
Probably, yeah. I mean, if you're gonna be home watching live streams, we can
Yes.
we can
I
start the
mean,
new year
I-
together.
No, I have so many friends in my actual life. I'm gonna hang out with. I don't. That's the sad truth. I don't.
Actually, I have friends wanting to hang out with me, and I told them no, I'm gonna stream tonight. It's true.
Well, you did the
It's
reverse
true.
thing of me.
No, it's true. Honestly, that's what it is. I mean, I need to give priority to my channel.
Right. Yeah.
Yes, we are
I mean,
using.
your
Yes, we
channel
are
goes
using Discord,
beyond.
Gertie. Oh, thank you for the sub, Riz Ge. No, hang on, Riz Re GJ. Sorry about that. I interrupted you.
I'm gonna make your picture a Lola farm. Okay, go ahead. Don't ask me why. I won't.
Oh, by the way, did you like the thumbnail? I put 15 minutes of effort into it.
So did you actually cut me out of my own thumbnails?
Exactly. It was.
You could have just asked for the PNG file.
I was,
That's
but I
right.
didn't want to bother you. I didn't want to bother you.
Oh come on! I'm starving for attention on the internet. You can ask me anything at any time of the day.
Oh, it's so
Come
funny.
on. You think I'm busy doing stuff? No. I mean, when I'm streaming, I am, but when I'm not, you can ask me anytime.
Thank you.
Oh, that's adorable. I like how you put effort into doing something you didn't have to. That's nice.
It's the thing is, Vloggy,
The
why
things you do for
why
me
not
makes me happy.
stream with them? Stream with who? Stream with who? Yes, it did. I think it did show Gertie. Let me see. I can actually tell you if it did. Let me see if it showed your sub. Hold on.
You gotta also check out Fasty Pace. He's a really nice
I will.
PokeTuber.
The thing, I don't think the sub showed. No.
Swimmers in this game are so
Gertie, I don't
hot.
think your sub showed because your subs are probably set to private. It's not showing here, at least. I don't think it is. No, it's not. Nope, it's not. I think your subs are probably set to private. So people can't go through your subs and see who you're subbed to. Anyway, where was I? He wants to learn rollout. Ooh. Oh.
That's a good move.
I remember the hard time it gave me when I battled Miltank in Pokemon Gold and Silver.
Oh fuck.
Whitney. Oh my goodness, Whitney.
I hate that one. I hate her in the remakes as much because didn't that thing use Attract and Confuse Ray and Milk Drink and all those annoying moves and Rollout? I think that was the moveset.
We have an
So
expression. We have an expression in Maltese. We say Ritni. In Maltese, it's Ritni, which means you're annoying me so much that I'm destroyed with you, with annoyance.
Wow, that's a lot for one word.
Yeah, Ritni. It's like annoying. It's like
Ritni.
you annoyed me, Ritni. And I used to say Whitney, kif Ritni. It means Whitney, you're annoying me.
That's great.
Yeah.
I can
Oh,
learn
Gertie's
like
pronounced
this.
as Kerty. That's good to know. Thank you so much.
You guys have all these one-word expressions like Lily, and then you have Earthny, and
Oh, Lily.
all these female names because it's Earthny, right?
Ritni. It's how do
How
you,
do you say
the Q?
Ritni?
It's a Q. It's
Q?
Yeah, QRI. Yeah, it's
Oh wow, your language is messed up.
yeah.
Jesus.
Well, it's not. No, it's a very unique language. It's
I don't. It's
Special.
yeah, sure. It's unique. Yeah, it's a snowflake, all right.
what's I gonna do? Oh, I'm thinking about if should I delete a move for a rollout? I don't know what to do.
Wait. Okay, you have rest. You have body slam. You have sleep talk, and what else?
I have Giga Impact, Sleep Talk, Body Slam, and Rest.
I mean, you really want to keep the rest and sleep talk strategy on, or
Yes. Yes.
and then I guess body slam. Yeah, go for body slam. I mean, you already have a really powerful normal attack, so
Yeah, but Body Slam causes paralysis. I like that.
then get rid of rollout. Then don't.
Yeah, I'm not gonna learn Rollout. Bye, have a great time, Mr. Rollout. Keep old moves. I'll probably
I
regret
am
this.
so hungry right now. I
Took
am
you around
starving.
20 to 30 minutes to beat Whitney. Yes, I know the feeling, Cascade. I know the feeling. Alright, he did not learn Rollout. And Litten is level 40. So that means
Wait,
10.
is Gertie, Gertie, where are you from? Huh. I like Levion Seasign a lot. It's
he
just so
vo-
bad in battle.
I evolved Leafeon by mistake. I had no idea I was going to turn into a Leafeon. I wanted an Espeon. And it was morning when I was training him. And he suddenly started evolving. Like, yes, I'm getting an Espeon. He turned into a Leafeon. Like, what? I was
wow.
standing next to a mossy stone. I didn't realize. I didn't realize. And it's a nice story behind it. You know, it's an accidental Pokemon. You know, I like that. So how many Pokemon Barry got KO by now? It's the other way around, Jack. It's the other way around.
I KO'd Vloggy's entire team. Wait, no, you defeated my Raichu. You defeated my. What else?
I don't know.
Alright.
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, okay. Let's forget. That's very traumatic for you, isn't it?
I want to cry. But yeah, he defeated me. He defeated me. But it's not
But
about winning, it's about having fun.
Oh yeah.
No, but seriously.
Yeah, you're right.
Slowpokes! Slow? They're Slowpokes.
You know what? You would be a slowpoke.
No, really? No.
No, a slowbro. Because they're goofy and they're very sort of cheerful, but they're also very laid back.
I would think of myself as a Slow King. Because I'm chill, but
Yeah, but
kind of cool.
Because it always has hands like around its back. It looks like it's very wise and
Okay, yeah, I'm not
and
wise.
you're not that. Wow, that's no. No, you're. Well,
Hang on, this cop just said something to me. Hold on, because I got distracted. You can look, but you can't touch.
There are so many dirty.
Yeah, I
references
know,
in
right?
Pokemon.
It's not just me then. Certain words, certain things that they say in this game.
There is a room. There is a house in this game with a bunch of Rockruff plushies, and if you interact with those plushies, it said it's a Rockruff plushie model that seems to be very popular among single women.
Yeah.
do
I'm
you
like,
remember? Have you seen that?
that was uncalled for.
That's
Why did
so
they say that?
bad.
Now the cop
I mean,
changed. No,
Jesus
actually, cop
Christ.
changed his version. He's like, actually, you can touch, but you can't catch. Okay. So,
Oh.
yeah. All of the Slowpoke on this
Wow, I
beach
just
are
saw it.
managed and protected by the Alola region. Okay, fair enough.
Wow. I mean, I like dirty humor. You know me.
Yeah, but sometimes it gets...
I feel very uncomfortable when I see it in games like this.
I know,
Because
right?
then it reminds me that there are 7-year-olds playing this.
Yeah, but
And they
7-year-olds
don't
are
get
not...
it, but-
But 7-year-olds are not gonna get the joke. That's fine.
right.
You know, I
Okay,
mean...
you know, maybe that's a clever thing. Maybe they did it for the older audience, so we could get a chuckle out of it as well.
Yeah. I mean, I'm thinking about... There was an episode in Family Guy, and they were talking about beads or something. It's like, that city is all about beads. And then... Peter Griffin
yes.
has a thought bubble and he's like throwing beads, and then Joe has a thought bubble and he's throwing beads as well, and then Quagmire is pulling beads, slowly pulling beads
Yeah, and he's like,
out of something, and he goes, "We all know what's going on here. The kids don't." Exactly, the kids don't, but
And when I watched the episode, I didn't get it. It was Mardi Gras, right?
huh?
It was a Mardi Gras grass joke.
I
And,
forgot.
Well, Mardi Gras is like this really big party summer thing Americans do, and I was like, what does that mean? Like, what is he pulling it out from? And then as I grew older and I explored the internet, I was like, oh,
Barry, you are so innocent.
I was innocent, and now I make more dirty jokes than you can even keep up with.
You know what? I'm gonna use my Z power move just to use Magical Leaf.
You know, the swimmers in these games look very good, like both male and female.
Alright, I know it's gonna be super overkill. It's gonna be an overkill, but I want to use this move. I want to use it. Yes, Kerti, I am using a capture cards. It's a
That
special...
Wish Cache looks so funny because it's so small.
Mhm.
I always imagine Wish Cache to be way big. Well, it is probably bigger because in the anime it's way bigger. I wonder what a Wailord looks like in this game. Would it
Interesting.
take up the entire screen, or would they just scale it down? Probably scale it down.
Yeah, sorry, I was telling Kerti about the capture card. Yes, it's basically you have to get your 3DS or 2DS custom modified to actually be able to stream. And it's a shame because I bought a 2DS especially for streaming, and this is my 3rd time streaming since November. Shame on me. I
Shame
spent.
on you.
It's true, it's true. This cost me 400 euros. It's not a joke. This 3DS, 2DS cost 400 euros for a 2DS is a lot.
Oh my!
Yeah.
Wasn't it supposed to be cheaper than the 3DS?
No, it
It
is
was
cheaper.
like
Yes, it was. The 3DS was even more expensive, and I didn't go for the 3DS because I already have a 3DS. I have two now. I have a 3DS and a 2DS. What was I saying? I was gonna say something else about the capture card, but I forgot. Ah, yeah,
what?
it's Katsukiri. It's those guys. What about yours? Is yours Katsukiri as well?
Mine is Murky. I showed you
Murky.
that website.
Yes, that's right. The German.
And the service was really good.
Yes.
I sent it in.
You got it
I
really
had to send
fast.
in my regular 3DS, and I had to pay 245 euros, which is like 250 or 60 US dollars. And like 5 days later, I got it back. I got a lollipop with it. Everything was great.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
I used to get like candy whenever I order T-shirts, like little
Oh,
small
really?
bags of Haribo candy. And
that's nice.
It's so cool. Yeah, they don't do that anymore. I think.
It would make you feel extra special.
Yeah, they don't do that anymore. Look, it's the sand Pokemon.
You know, I know you're gonna hate this, but you are ultimately probably a Ludicolo.
No, come on.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, I hate that
I mean,
Pokemon.
sure, you don't wear a sombrero, but you're very gleeful.
No. I mean, I was okay. I was okay with you saying that I was a Mr. Mime, and I didn't like that either. But I'd rather be a Mr. Mime.
Mr. Mime deserves an evolution.
Yeah, I think it does. Yeah, a
And I have
tougher
perfect name for
version.
It could be Master Mime.
Master Mime. We just
I've thought-
invented a Pokemon.
That's good, right? It sounds
Yeah.
really good.
Master Mime. That's so cool. Or a Mrs.
thought
Mime. Or a Mrs. Mime.
No, stop messing
Come
with mine.
on! A lady
This
mime.
isn't mine.
Is there female Mr. Is there a female Mr. Mime?
Yes.
They exist, female Mr. Mimes. That's so
They
stupid.
exist. Doesn't make much sense, but they
Yeah.
exist.
Like a male Jinx. Do we have male Jinx? Probably.
Yes, they are. And we also have male Guard of Wars, but they kind of tried to nullify that with
Yeah, with the
villains, but
yeah.
You can
that's
still have
fine.
male Guard of Wars.
Mr. Mime has a pre-evolution though, exactly.
Mime
Curtis right, we
Jr.
forgot about that. There's a pre-evolution of
Mime
Mr.
Jr.
Yeah, Mime Jr.
It has a very funny Pokemon cry.
I forgot about the cry.
It's weird. I can't emulate it either.
Is that it here? Are we done? Oh, look. I've been collecting these Zygarde cubes. Strange creature
Yeah,
or
me
something.
too.
I don't know
I'm
what it's gonna
guess that
do.
We can get a Zygarde out of it. Yeah, but if they ever make third evolutions out of Pokemon that already have like evolutions, then definitely Mr. Mime should have one. And I think Dunsparce deserves some love as well.
Alright, there's a cutscene I have to read because I can't concentrate talking and reading. Sorry about
Alright,
this.
I'll shut up. I'll shut up.
You should probably mute me because I'm gonna I'm gonna read out loud. If you don't want it spoiled.
Spoilers. All right.
Vloggy! Man, I hate this rival. I heard the news from Sophocles. Okay. You helped him out with testing the kind, yeah? The totem calling machine or whatever. I guess I was test subject number 2, but I managed to get through the trial. Maybe even managed to get a bit stronger. Hey, Vloggy, I want you to take this. And he gave me a max potion. Alright. Alright, here it comes. You only have one volume, don't you? Haven't you ever heard the expression that silence is golden? I had viewers telling me that on my streams. Like, shut up, dude. God, he's back! Listen, Team Skull is looking for a Pokemon called Cosmog. Do you know anything? Oh, Cosmog. What? No, what did he tell you? So, you do know something. Oh, Gladian's very intuitive. You know what, Varo? I never raised the Togekiss. I probably should. Togekiss are strong. They are strong. Vloggy is a Togekiss, cheerful and strong. I just got it. Alright, let's continue reading. So you do know something. Look! Cosmog isn't even a strong Pokemon, but it has the potential to summon Pokemon so terrifyingly strong that you don't even know. If something like that happened, it would be a disaster for Alola. A disaster? Like a real disaster? No, like a joke disaster. Protected? If you do know where Cosmog is, or if you do find anything out, just keep it safe. I know I might be working for Team Sky right now, but you may not trust me or care about, but I'm going to tell you just this once. You have to protect Cosmog no matter what. It's so funny, he works with them, but he's like, not with them. I still don't even understand how Team Skull found out about Cosmog in the first place. What do you mean? No matter what? You're just gonna leave us hanging? Bye, have a great time. Vloggy. If they're really looking for Cosmog, then is Lily gonna be okay? I just don't get what's going on, but we've got to keep both of them safe, right? Then I know what I'm gonna do. Take on my next trial so I can get even stronger. Okay. I'm gonna complete my island challenge, then I'm gonna get to Tapu Koko to recognize my strength. Then I'm gonna be the next island kahuna. I want to make sure more and more people can have fun battling to see who wins or loses. Vloggy, let's both try to become real champions. Yeah, you do your best. I'm gonna do my thing. Bye. Alright. Hey, V4. You know what Vloggy said last time in stream? Spoilers. Yeah, don't spoil. Don't spoil. Don't spoil, please. Because I'm still a noob at this game. Well, noob. But yeah. What kind of terrible trainer leaves a sweet Pokemon like that behind? What? Does anybody have a Pokemon for me? Oh, the Pokemon next room has been waiting for this trainer forever. Does anybody
it
know?
over?
Yes, it is over. Yeah, yeah, it is over.
Okay.
Does anybody know if the sodas from the vending machine can be used in battle if I equip the Pokemon with it? Like if I
No.
gave a lemonade, it doesn't work, eh? Yeah, I figured.
No. I tried that once. No.
Ah, spoilers! I am becoming the champion. Yes. Oh, look! It's one of them Pokemon. Oh, I love the cry of these pink bears. What are they called? We talked about them earlier. Rough. No, rough.
Rockruff.
Rockruff.
It's like,
It's the pink one. Yeah, the pink bear kind of. I think it's cute.
Yeah.
And their cries it goes. Meow! Listen.
oh wait. Oh yeah, yeah. Wait, no. Those are no, Rockruffs are something
No,
else.
Rockruffs are something else. Yeah, exactly. Let me look it up real quick. Hold on. Pokédex.
See, I don't remember the Pokemon names at all.
Alola Pokédex. Oh, hold on. Melee Pokédex. This might take a while.
Stuffle.
Stuffle, that's right, yeah. That's the one. STUFF.
UL.
UL.
Now I know. I'm sorry, Tech. I'm sorry.
That's not
game
Rockruff!
once
Don't
a week.
don't yell at us again! Oh my goodness. So many Pokemon.
Oh, Vloggy, you know what? You should play with Carl. I don't know if Carl has any problems with you coming on, or him coming on stream, but I have a great idea.
What, like Pokemon wise? Like to play Pokemon with us?
No. Keep talking and nobody explodes.
Oh, that is a good. Yeah, I watched you play that game. I couldn't understand what was going on, really.
If you play with your best friend, it's hectic and it's very suspenseful. And
I
I think you and Carl would make it a very funny stream.
I'm gonna have to rewatch that stream because I couldn't understand what was going on. You were describing to him what was on the back.
screen.
And what was he saying then?
So the way it works is you got to defuse a bomb, and you have to do that with 2 or more people. I was the diffuser, and he was the expert. Now he cannot look at my screen, so there are modules on the bomb. It's like a suitcase, and they're like 2 to 4 to 8 modules on the case, and each one has its own puzzle. Like you have a wire puzzle, you have a symbol puzzle. So for example, for the symbol puzzle, you have 4 symbols and you got to press them in a sort of order, but you got to describe to them, you got to describe which one or what they look like to the expert, because they can't look at your screen. And through your explanation of the symbols, he has to look up which ones go first
Okay.
and then which ones come after.
Such an
So-
interesting game. I really enjoyed that.
It is.
I really enjoyed watching that. Yeah. So you guys were next to each other?
No. We were doing it through Discord. That's the thing.
Okay, so when you
Well-
said not looking at your screen, like it can be
He
played.
can't look at the stream.
All right. Oh, okay. He doesn't. Okay, he
Because
wouldn't have to.
that's if he sees it, then he can just
Okay.
look it up through for himself, and that's not what the game is about. You're supposed to be. It's kind of like how in real life, bomb diffusers use their walkie-talkies and give information about the bomb to the actual diffuser somewhere else. I think that's how it works. I don't know, but it was fun. It was a lot of fun. And if you are gonna rewatch it, just play it from the beginning, and it should make a lot of more sense. Yeah. And I think you and Carl would make. That's a monkey Pokemon, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's the Pokemon that holds like a ball, a green ball or something, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know
Okay.
what his name is, but okay. It looks like this area is closed, so I think there's another trial on this island.
Cool.
And Poliwhirl is being all like, "Bruh, you're not getting anywhere near this fence."
Poliwhirl looks like the epitome of a Pokemon that just wants to fight always.
I love Poliwhirl and Poliwrath.
No, it's a clever Pokemon.
For instance, let's just analyze the language used in this game. Like for instance, right now there's a guy who's telling me, what the heck you think you're doing, huh? Did someone say you could come in here? That is so awesome. It's about time somebody said this in a Pokemon game.
Right. Yeah. I mean, the people in the Pokemon regions are probably the most friendly people in the world for letting you house and just look everywhere. and talking to everything. That's kind of weird.
But no, I was actually focused on the word heck. Did you know the origins of the word heck?
No, but I feel like you're gonna tell me right now.
Yes, I am. It's a combination between the word hell and fuck. It's like, what the heck?
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Yep. And that's the origin. And some people consider it as a swear word, heck. You know,
I
and
feel like it's like an in-between word for if you want to express
exactly.
disapproval, but you don't want to be foul.
Exactly. And I'm like, what? Like, I'm surprised to see it in the game, like, because it's a very questionable word. I mean, I don't get offended at all. But it's interesting. It's interesting, eh?
Pokemon definitely does not look like a game that would use the word damn. Like, that's already too much, I think.
But at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if I saw it now.
I don't know. Because damn, isn't that, like, offensive to religious people?
I don't know. I don't think
it
of it
is.
like that. No. But again, I mean, personally, seeing the word heck, like, what the heck? I say it. but
Right,
but
yeah.
knowing the origins of the word, like, really?
It
That's
makes it
interesting.
more questionable.
Anyway, not that I'm doing anything in here. I haven't done any. I have done nothing. You want to
I
scrap?
really want to eat right now so I can battle you again.
Yeah, go eat, man. Go eat. That's
No,
fine.
but I can't because food isn't ready yet. Damn. We're today we're doing the Christmas dinner. So it's gonna be very elaborate. It's gonna be chicken. It's gonna be fish. It's gonna be vegetables. It's gonna be tater tots. But it takes a while to set up. I remember my parents were already working on the chicken earlier this morning because it has to like, I think it has to be baked 2 hours in advance, and then you have to cool it off, and then you have to put it in the oven again. It's a very complicated way of, cooking it.
Okay, Just Human, thank you so much for hanging out. Go tell Fasty I said thanks again for the raid. He's streaming again. All right.
Yes, I saw.
Leah, let's fight. Oh, we're gonna battle. You what? What?
You what, mate?
I ain't got time for you. I just beat you silly anyway. No, okay, let's read that with a let's read that with an accent. No. I ain't got time for you. I beat
that
you
supposed to
silly
say?
anyway. Not worth it. I don't know.
Fun fact. Oh, hey, Max.
Hey, Max Rock, welcome. So I'll just leave you with this. Use it to train up and come back when you're worth my time. When you obtain TM12. Oh, nice. Nice.
If there was an accent you could speak in other than the one you currently have, which one would it? If you could have any accent, English one, like an English accent
I don't know.
in the English language.
I don't know. In the English language. I don't know. I mean, I can do accents. I mean,
good ones?
I can do a Russian accent, but speaking English, of course. You know.
Yes.
But I'm not gonna do it now because I'm self-conscious.
Oh, so
But
it's
there's
bad.
there's
It's
a Nikolai,
bad.
for example. There's Nikolai in Resident Evil, for instance, and
Oh,
let me
and
try to quote him. I'm quite impressed you've managed to stay alive up until now. Come on, that's good. No,
It's very typical. Yeah.
I have no intention of helping you. All right.
Oh, Resident Evil. What a game.
When are you playing Resident Evil 2, by the way?
Probably next. I want to say next week, but I don't want to quote myself on that, and I definitely don't want you to quote me on that because if I don't, you're gonna be upset.
No, it's fine.
Because it is your
I-
favorite game.
You usually stream on Sundays. Resident
True,
Evil.
but I'm planning on streaming every day for the
Okay.
next 2 weeks.
You should.
No. Because I have free time now, so it's a Christmas vacation.
All right, hang on. There's like
And
a different
I said
place.
I was planning on streaming tonight, but as I said, I was more in a watching mood than a doing mood.
Apparently, what are they called? The Pokemon here on each island, the guardian Pokemons. What are they called?
The Tapu Cox or something.
This one's called Tapu. Tapu Bulu. Bulu. Tapu Bulu.
That sounds so funny.
Come on, man. The words are so funny.
Yes, it's me, Max.
Bulu.
Hello.
It is.
Max speaks one of the most odd languages there is on the world.
What does he speak?
He speaks Finnish.
Okay.
That's a very well.
Beautiful
you've done
ladies in
language
Finland.
studies, right? What?
Beautiful ladies in Finland.
Yes, yes, yes.
Also, there's beautiful ladies in the Netherlands, but they are very tall. They are very tall.
I know.
When we went to a
But-
club, the first time I went
I-
to Amsterdam, we went to a club. It was called, what was it called? I don't remember. But anyway, we went to this club and it was so good. And the ladies were gorgeous there, but they were so tall and I felt so short. Not that I'm not short, but I felt shorter than ever in there. And I was with Pippa in there and she felt short.
I was really surprised when I met you up in that cafe or bar, I guess.
Why, you thought I was taller, eh? Everybody thinks I'm taller.
No, I thought Carl was taller.
How did you think Carl was taller? I never saw Carl before.
Well, when he was sitting down,
Oh, okay.
he gave me the impression that he was, a very stout man, because he is pretty, well, muscular. Is he?
I don't know. Well,
I don't
I mean,
know.
he works out, but
Because that he gave me the impression that he was also very tall. But when we were getting out of the snack bar, and I noticed that I was the tallest of the bunch, I was like, "Whoa! Oh, so it's not just the country, or it is just the country. I'm just really small in this country. So in other places, I would be normal. Okay, all right." That made me feel really happy and more self-confident.
when I went to pick up, The Last Guardian about 2 weeks ago from my local retailer, the video game store that I go to, I always run into someone who goes, "Are you Floggy Buddy?" always, every single time. Whenever
And then
and I went to the store and there was this guy and he goes, "Are you Vloggy Buddy?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And he goes, "I watch your streams, dude." And he gave me his username.
No way.
He's been in the streams before. Have you ever seen Bare Bones in my streams? Bare Bones.
I think I have, yeah.
Yeah,
So
I ran into him.
he's
He's like, yeah, he's Maltese. He's like, "I'm Bare Bones." I'm like, "Oh." He's like, "I expected you to be taller." It's the first thing he said. I thought you were taller. Okay.
I mean, I think that if we all watch your videos, we all think you're taller. But then again,
yeah.
the only people from YouTube I I met up with were you and that Canadian streamer I talked to you about. I don't know if you still remember him. And I guess you guys didn't really have any expectations about my height.
I expected you to be tall because
Tall or taller? Or
just
taller than you?
taller than me. Full stop. Yeah.
Okay, so that were your expectations right?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Okay. And the Canadian guy didn't. The Canadian guy was shorter than I thought because he said he was 6 feet. And then when I actually met up with him, that's like the actual first American I ever met up with. So, their 6 feet is not that much taller than what I thought it would be. Or he must have been 5'11" or something like that. But we actually look eye to eye pretty decently. Oh, hold on.
Food is ready, I think. Food is ready.
All right, I'm gonna go and grab some dinner now. Finally.
Okay. Take your time.
All right,
Eat up.
I should be back in about half an hour.
When Barry's back, he's gonna battle me again, guys.
Yes, I will. So
Stick around.
hopefully I will see you guys when I get back. Take care if you're gonna leave, and otherwise, yeah, I'll be right
See you
back.
later, bud. See ya. Have I been in here? Yes, I have. I enjoy having conversations on stream, but I can't concentrate. I just can't concentrate. I was just walking around. Oh man. Alright, somewhere here. Well, we all expect that Barry is a talking beanie all along. You know what? You know what, Jack? When I met up with Barry, alright, he was wearing his beanie, of course. Um, and I made jokes that I was gonna remove it at one point, but he got very uncomfortable and he was like, no, don't you joke about that. He's like, he got really defensive. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna joke like that. I just met the guy. It would have been a good joke, you know, but no, I don't want to do that to him if he's not comfortable. There's Rockruff. There's Rockruff. Ruff. Tapu Village. The village was named that because the Tapu appeared here to protect Mount Lanakila, which reaches up so close to both sun and moon. They mentioned the name of the game! But that's left of it now. But all that's left of it now is the name. It's raining in here. Oh, there's a Pokemon Center here. Oh man, another cutscene. Phew, look Vloggy, seems like we're almost to the Ether House. Where's the captain is supposed to be, huh? Hey look, construction workers. That must be what Kukui was talking about. So they're really making a Pokemon League on top of Mount Lanakila. The professor told me that the Pokemon Leagues in other regions have 4 crazy strong trainers. In them they call the Elite Four. The Elite Four is our island kahunas. I wonder which ones are stronger. I can't wait to find out. I'm gonna go heal up. You know what? I can't really imagine what's underneath the beanie. I expect him to have long hair. He said he was growing it. But he's not comfortable with the way it is right now. He's growing it, so he's comfortable in the style he wants, apparently. So I know what it's like to feel uncomfortable with your hair because I am like that too. So that's why I didn't make the joke and try to remove it. They do have a hunter. Trade for my graveler if you... Ooh. No, I don't have a hunter. Hunter! Hey, Agent Sushi. Welcome. Oh, be careful of the caps, buddy, because you might get timed out by Nightbot. Just watch out for the caps. I am playing Sun and Moon, yeah. People like to say that Tapu Bulu destroyed the supermarket and it's strange, but that's not right. It's the people themselves who are to blame. What did they think would happen when they built a shop on land that's sacred to the Tapu? Okay. Alola League is currently under construction. Well, at least I know where to come. What are these guys? They're just talking. Alola! We have our right Pokemon here to help us move our heavy construction materials. Okay, that's it? That's what you're saying? That's it? Okay, I look forward to come here. What about you? Do you want to battle me? Sup, girl? Oh, that abandoned site. Yeah, it was overrun by ghost-type Pokemon. If you went in there, you'd never come out again. Really? Really? I'm gonna go. Nice. Alright, so what's over here? Trainer tips. Oh, I can ride the Pokemon, but not now. Hold on. We wanna look around first. Hey, sir. Looks like you've got a fishing rod, mate. By Lana. Made by Lana, not mate. Made by Lana. I may have to switch. Yeah, the city's in ruins. Look at that. We're gonna go for Magic Leaf. Gyarados. Oh, nice. Let's keep going. Ouch. That's powerful. Oh, wow. Out of silk. Alright, I'm in a bit of a pickle here. Thawed out at least, okay. This is a strong Pokemon here. That's good. I can't go up there, really? I can't climb. There's a Murkrow. Crow! He spotted me. I like the way they spot you in this game. I want rare Pokemon! I'll go anywhere due to my tenacity! Now then. Take down. Wow. Is he Steel type? Is he a Steel type Pokemon? Oh, wow. I think he is. Okay, I'm switching, that's it. I'm gonna try something. Oh, hang on. No, I'm gonna try something, hold on. I'm gonna try a theory. Something tells me he's a Steel type, I don't know why. Oh, come on, seriously? Let's see, Flamethrower. Wow. Yes, he is a Steel type. Zen Headbutt. Okay, instead of... what does Miracle Eye do? Forget this move. I got Zen Headbutt. Gabite. Vulpix. Ice Beam. Oh, he's wet. I don't care about this one though. This guy's paralyzed. There we go. Nice. Okay. Oh, this is where the island challenge happens. Okay. Look at this, it's a reference to that surfing Pikachu. I like that. I like that. Alright, there's something here. I'm gonna heal up. Let's see what kind of Pokemon there are here. Let's look 3 times. Let's look for 3 Pokemon. So we have... Oh, nice! An Alolan Sandshrew. So cute! Oh, so cute! Alolan Sandshrew, it's gorgeous. I love it. I'm gonna catch it because it's an exclusive Pokemon to this game. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. 5 times? Seriously? Wow, 5 times. Let's go. We're about to catch a Pokemon. Vloggy, do the Pokemon shows the location of where you got the type of Pokemon you need to first find it there? No, I don't think it does. No. Well, actually, hold on. Let's find out. Hold on. So, let's take a look. Pokédex. Let's look for a Pokemon that I've never seen before. Hold on. Alola Pokédex. A Pokemon that I haven't caught. Let's just say... Let's assume a Meowth, for instance. Habitat. I think it does show you the habitat. Hold on. Yes, it does show the habitat. Look. Alright, it shows you where... Okay. The Pokédex shows you the location. If you look at the second screen, the smaller one on the right, there's like little faces. That shows you where they are. So, yeah. Okay. I guess it does. Okay, I got a challenge. I need to beat all the trainers here, apparently. Let's start from that one. Let's switch. No, switch. Flamethrower. Marowak. So I'm expecting it's going to be the Alolan Marowak. So I will use Psyduck. Wow. I think it's okay to use Water type against them. Let's see. Yeah, we're good. Ooh, wow, strong move. Pelipper. I don't have a flying type in my team. I was gonna get a flying type because I always do have a flying type usually. But this time, since we don't really need a flying type because of no HMs, I figured I'd skip on it. Oh, hello. Okay. One of the Try Guys is here to help you during the island's challenge. What is it? Every trainer Route 15. Where are they? I don't see any more trainers on Route 15. Maybe they're on the water. Some people on YouTube are saying that this is the worst season of Pokemon's ever created, but people don't stop to think that there are more. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's the worst. No, I wouldn't say it's the worst. No. I wouldn't say it's the worst. Let me go! So what do I do? Can I, You cannot break the... How can you break this? This is strange. I can't squeeze through here. And the rocks cannot be broken over there either. No, it's a dead end here. Definitely. No. There are no more other Pokemon trainers in this route. I'm confused. Ah, never mind. Let's go. Let's keep moving. Mind you, it's not the best season. It's not the best generation, but it's fine. Look, we've got a gorilla as a receptionist. Wait up, Vloggy! So, this is the Ether House, eh? Strangers! Stranger! This means battle. Are they gonna battle me? Wait, what? What? Why? We protect our home when Acerola's away. They're battling me! That's nice. The kids. Is that a double battle? No, it's not a double battle. Is it? No. Elekid! Vloggy, this little squares, which shows the Pokemon you have at the moment, are from the capture card used? No. Basically, it's a layout. It's all of it is a layout, and the Pokemon in the boxes are just GIF images that I looked up. I can move them around. Look, I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Hold on. Let's just say Metang, for instance. Beldum or whatever. Let's see. Look, I can move them around, look. It's just a GIF image. That's all it is. That's all it is. Okay. Back to the game. Magical Leaf! I'm paralyzed, I didn't realize I was paralyzed. Oops. Ouch. Hey, Resident Evil Talk! Welcome. Nice to see you. I'm not playing Resident Evil today. No Resident Evil today. I decided to play some Pokemon, because it's long overdue. But I'm gonna be having a Resident Evil month in January, so. Ooh, let's care for him real quick. Because he's paralyzed. Poor Leafeon. Nice, it's very helpful, especially for someone who just entered the stream and don't know what Pokemon you have. Yeah, exactly. And it's pretty. It makes the stream look prettier as well. It's like, you know. I highly recommend it, Resident Evil Talk. I highly recommend this game. My favorite is X and Y. Next one is this. Then Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. This is really good. This is really good. It's different, just the right amounts. I mean, I love that there's variations of the Gen 1 Pokemon. It's so good. Let's go. And this is a new thing, for instance. Oh, hold on. Oops. You can actually help them recover from paralysis after the battle, for instance. Look at this. I can help them recover from paralysis. I'll take out this, for instance. And you rub, and you rub, and you rub, and you rub, and you rub. That's basically, it's a free paralyze heal. Look at that. There you go. I tried hard. I am a kid, you know. Phew, so I won, yeah. Then why is this little fellow still gnawing on me? I'm back, everybody! Looks like I finished up my shopping spree right on time. You've already met everyone? I have a feeling this is the kahuna. You only played blue, green leaf, gold, and black. Alright. I think it's time for you to try one of the new ones. The new generation ones, like these. X and Y are really good. X and Y is really good, and even this one. But I would suggest you start from this one now anyway. Start from this one. But, hey, where's Lily? I left her with Hapu. They should be coming soon. So why don't we get those trials done first? You did know I'm Captain, right? Yeah, I figured. Captain is Kahuna, yeah? I keep forgetting. Alright, so what do I do? Look at the monkey receptionist. Toys everywhere. Oh, look at this, over here. Nothing in this room? Nothing. Alright, so I have to go there. Okay. What do you think you're doing? Stop it! Stop it right now! For real, girl? Your bag was moving right in front of my eyes. And I'm supposed to just ignore that? You got some rare Pokemon in there. I'm gonna have to take it and make some cash. Even if it's not that rare of a Pokemon, I bet I could still get paid, yo. Flocky! Oh, so we're following that script, are we? A trainer dashes forward to save the girl, huh? I'm not gonna let you be the hero in this scene. With the announcement of Nintendo Switch and the functions that we have, will also be the next handheld Nintendo. That's a very good question. Would it be the next handheld? Maybe that means that the Pokemon main series is going to. Well, I don't know if you know that, Levi, but they actually did announce this game, Pokemon Sun and Moon, for the Nintendo Switch. They announced it. So that's happening. It's going to be called Pokemon Star, apparently. Pokemon Stars, something like that. So far so good. I'm interested in the Switch. We'll see how it goes. I'm not just gonna buy it. right away. I want to see the reviews, what people say, the exclusive titles, launch titles. So yeah, because I bought the Nintendo Wii. That was my last home console that I bought from Nintendo, the Nintendo Wii. And to be honest, I kind of regret buying it because it was such a gimmick. Some games were uncomfortable to play. Going back to Resident Evil, for example, Resident Evil 4 came out on the Wii. It was so hard to play it with the Wii remote, you know? So yeah, this is going on the Switch, but I guess there won't be 3D obviously on it. There won't be 3D. What was I gonna say? Something else. I was gonna say something. Yeah, I mean, even the game I'm playing right now, this is on the 2DS, so I'm not really benefiting from 3D anyway. Alright. Oh, battle. I really hate the music when you battle these guys. Drowsy. Drowsy. I was gonna buy Mario Maker on the 3DS. I was really interested in picking that up. But to be honest, it doesn't have all the features that it does on the Nintendo Wii U, so I was kind of put off. But it's a good concept. Mario Maker is a very good concept. I would love to play it on the Wii U, but I don't have a Wii U. I was gonna buy a Wii U just for that, but then I came to my senses. When I saw that adorable Drowsy, that was enough for me. Later! Phew! Thank you, Vloggy. Alright, I'm gonna put the headset down real quick and the game. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I need to reply to a text. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Sorry about this, guys. See you in 3 minutes. He's back. Alright. He's back. Alright, where's the 3DS? There it is. Alright. Phew! Thank you, Vloggy. I just want. Is Barry here? Barry!
Hello.
Barry is back!
Lucky.
Hang
I
on.
was like,
I'm gonna reply
Okay.
reply to my mom real quick. I'm gonna send her a text real quick.
oh.
Hold on. She's watching. I think she's watching. Everybody say hello. Everybody say hello to Vloggy Mommy.
Hello,
Vloggy
Mommy.
Vloggy Mommy.
She watches your stream.
She must be because she's like, she sent me a text and I didn't reply because obviously I was playing, and then she goes, "Why aren't you talking to me? Answer me!" Like that, as a kind of jokingly. I'm like, she's pulling my leg, and then she goes, "You're playing. I know you are." She's probably watching. She's probably watching. Hang on.
Or maybe it's mother's intuition.
No, she's watching. She's subscribed to my channel and her laptop is on. It's in the kitchen, so she just.
Wait, are you guys in the same house right now?
No, I live on my own.
Oh, okay.
Hang on, I'll call you when I finish. I'll call her when I'm done.
When... oh man, that was a meal.
What did you eat? What did you have?
I actually have to open up Google Translate because it's I don't know what it's called in English.
Ah, so it's something from your country.
No, I don't think it is. You know what a roulade is?
No.
Okay, then maybe it is.
Sorry.
It's okay. So I had meat. I had salmon with these really nice spices. I had these crunchy tater tots. I had some carrots, some cooked carrots with peas, and I had a lot of milk because I had pepper sauce over my it was kind of spicy.
I
But
love
It
spicy.
was tasty. Yeah, I'm not that much into spicy, but sometimes I am.
Okay, let me finish up.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish up this cutscene real quick, and then we can resume talking, and we can have our battle. Hold on real quick, just gonna end this. All right. I just wanted to go for a stroll on my own. I'm kidding. I just wanted to go for a stroll on my own
Please
to
do
see
that
what it
voice.
must feel like to be a trainer. So Hap and I went our separate ways, but then Nebby tried to get out of my bag, as always. Get in the bag, Nebby! You'd better thank Vloggy too. Phew! Alright. And when I was out shopping, I kept thinking about how I wanted to be some help to you during your island challenge. And then I saw these. She gave me 5 luxury balls. Yeah, baby. I bought them without even thinking. And then there's the lady coming down the stairs. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily! Oh my goodness! Oh, Lily! I just realized. Oh, Lily! You just realized. Okay. What's the matter? You look all worn out. Do you want to rest at the Ether House a while? Oh, Acerola. Oh, Ariola. Thank you. I think I might take you up on that. Alright. And you, Vloggy. You can reach my trials from Tapu Village. Come on, follow me. That's it. She's gone. Now Lily's gonna say something else probably. No, she didn't. Perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna go heal up and we can get ready for another battle if you want. I'm done
You
with
don't have to heal up for Wi-Fi battles, you know that?
Yeah, but I'm gonna heal up for the challenge anyway.
Right. Okay.
It's a habit of visiting the Pokemon Center all
So
the time.
are you gonna are we gonna use the same Pokemon?
I don't have any others. Well, I'll see if I
Yeah,
can switch
same.
around. I'll see if I
No,
can.
no. No.
You wanna use the same?
Yes.
Alright, we'll use the same. Alright.
And it's gonna be a double format, right?
Yes, I'll host it this time. I'll host it.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Yeah, it's my turn. It's my turn.
Maybe it's because I was hosting, that's why I won.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Maybe.
I wish that was the case. I wish I could use that as an excuse.
Yeah. Well, I just gave you an excuse and you didn't take it.
You'll be connected to the internet. Yes, let's connect to the internet.
The internet is great.
Internet is good.
Why just only good? It's great. What was the internet like when you were born?
Well, when I was born, it didn't exist. When I was born, it didn't exist.
Wow.
And
you're
then,
old.
late 90s, we had our dial-up. All right, I'm in the game. I mean,
I gotta get on. Am I online? I am. No, I am. Okay. Whew. All right, send me a request.
Here it comes. So yeah, then we got the dial-up modem, 56K. It was connected to the
wow.
phone. It was connected to the phone.
Oh yeah.
And because of the charges, you know, the pulse rates, basically it was like 5 cents every 5 minutes or something like that if you connect to the internet.
Mhm.
And after 6 p.m., because it was off peak, you could connect to the internet. You could connect to the internet and stay on up until 6 in the morning, because then peak hours would start again and peak charges. So I used to leave the internet connected online all night so I could download something, you know.
Right.
With 56K, I used to download. With 56K, I used to download an episode of Smallville overnight. One episode of Smallville.
That's great. Oh, I love that. How primitive.
Yeah, but when you have internet connected, you couldn't use the phone, huh? If my dad grabbed the phone to make a phone call, he would probably cut off my internet.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Huh, well,
Those
there
were the
goes your
days.
episode. Those were indeed some days. I wouldn't say the days, but they were some days. Hey, well, damn.
Okay, so Resident Evil talk is probably same as my age, probably. I'm assuming. Oh man, those were the days. We had MSN Messenger, AOL, ICQ.
Well, no, I had MSN too. That went on for a while. And I think you could send buzzes to each other.
Not buzz, it's like a nudge. It used to nudge your window, like it used to shake your window. Is that what you're talking
Yeah,
about?
but it translated to my donkey language, that would mean a buzz.
Okay.
It would be called buzz one another. Participating teams. Yeah, that's it.
Very selecting. Select.
yeah.
About 30 years. All right, there you are. We are the same age, you and I, Mr.
You're
Resident Evil.
26, right?
Me?
Wait,
no, I
oh,
was kidding. I am
What did I
31.
do?
When I
think
said
maybe.
when I said 26, I
no.
was kidding. I am 31.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Really? Yeah. I mean, you definitely come across as youthful.
Yeah, baby. That's because I didn't
mean,
go
take-
bold.
Like Carl.
My God.
Well, is Carl being bald a choice, or is it just?
No, he shaves it because he's going bald. So
Oh, what does he look like with? And I think you showed me a video where he does have hair.
probably, yeah.
I
All
think
right.
you did. Yeah.
May the best man win. May
I wonder what
Vlogibody
Peter
win.
looks like without hair. That would be weird. I mean, you exert a certain. You're just very cheery. And I mentioned that before. Wait, what happened?
I don't know. It's like I'm choosing my team again for some reason. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, me too. I think I messed up.
I think we
Anyway.
got. I think we were talking.
And then I pressed some buttons that weren't supposed to be pressed.
I'm starting to think that maybe it expired, the invitation or something, because we were talking for so long.
We do talk nicely though.
We do.
Like, it doesn't feel like there is an age gap. And I like that. That's one of the wonderful things about the internet,
we go.
especially if you don't know what you look like or what someone else looks like in the beginning. There's no prejudice going on. You can't judge someone on their age or origin or anything like that.
Exactly.
And that's the best way to go at one another. I mean, one of my YouTube friend, one of my moderators, well, he can be best described as a bald southern redneck who, didn't go to school, because that's what he is. But because I didn't know that in the beginning when I started to talk to him, we just had really good conversations. And if I were to meet him up, like in real life, I'm most certain that I would not have that conversation with him if, I didn't know him before that, and I just judged him on looks.
Yeah.
So in that matter, the internet is really nice and great, but that's also like scary, because
Exactly.
you
It is
talk
scary.
to people you don't know what they are like, what they look like, or what they want.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Okay,
right.
Resident Evil
Double
Talk says
barrel.
he's 29, but he feels like I'm 90. Really? Really? I'm 31 and I feel like I'm
Maybe
12.
Maybe it's Carl. Maybe it's Carl.
No, it's not Carl.
Does Carl visit your streams?
He does. He lurks. He lurks a lot. And then he just says hi just to show me that he's there.
What is his name?
It's Carl. It's just Carl.
Just Carl? I
Yeah.
don't think I've ever seen. Ooh, oh. Hmm.
You have a Magneton? Seriously? You were complaining so much about Magneton?
Well, excuse
Alright.
me, I wasn't.
Alright.
Oh boy.
Alright, I'm gonna do my best. Go! Make me proud! Make me proud! Sakura, hey! I smell Big B playing Pokemon Ball. How are you, Sakura? No.
Yes.
No. No.
Yes. Ooh, my team is faster. Yes.
Yeah, I know. I hate that.
I like that. I love that. Takedown. Excuse me? Nuh-uh.
Yes!
I knew it.
Yes!
I knew it.
Ah.
That's why I thunder waved you, because I wanted to cripple you. Oh no.
Wait
No,
for it.
No, no, no.
Wait
He's
for
gonna
it.
open up his- Oh! No.
Pulverizing pancake attack!
Oh, that's ridiculous. Oh no. No. No, Vloggy, why?
Splat!
Oh, not his ass. Oh, wow.
Yes, your Vladimir is down! Yes! Yes!
Okay.
Mwahaha. Do you
Fine,
see what
okay.
you get when you mess with the warrior?
The warrior.
The warrior. I wondered too a few days ago and received some really nice Pokemon. For example, a Scyther. Wow, with a high level. Sadly, I can't use it because I don't have badges and he won't obey. Oh, yeah, he will disobey. Yeah, you just get some. Hey, I
The
fell asleep and
animations are
you
great.
heard you were actually 31. Yes, I am 31. All right, where were we?
Z moves are just ridiculous.
They are very OP. I like that. Okay, now then.
I feel like they kind of break competitive.
Nah, come on. Come on. I'm still gonna
Okay,
lose, but
Whatever. Ooh, I am so full of food right now.
that's good.
It's very good.
The warrior. Sakura's laughing because I referred to myself as the warrior.
Very selfish.
Okay, I'm trying to laugh it off, the fact that I'm paralyzed.
Great.
Oh!
Yes.
That's not
All
good.
right, let's assimilate the threat.
Alright, let's try again. That's fine. That's fine. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. I'm done.
I'm actually pretty scared because. Oh, okay. Bye. Send up Litten. Oh. Ew.
Thank you. Thank
Wow.
you. Yes. Thank you.
Should have known.
Thank you.
Should have gotten rollout.
Yes, 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 yes.
Screw you. Oh, that was a good one.
The laugh,
Good
my
laugh.
evil laugh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I just discovered something about my Snorlax. Interesting. I will tell you after I do this.
All right.
Let's go.
Come on, come on, come on.
No, critical. Come on, you got a crit.
Oh!
Oh, come on! Come on! Hey, Fusion Gaming! Welcome! Come on!
Good.
Come on, that was good. That was
Please
good.
sleep talk, sleep talk.
Ooh, come on! Really? Oh! Sakura, that's the evolved form of Pikachu. It's called a Raichu.
Yes.
And he is a psychic type.
Yes. For some reason.
Man,
I guess that's
that's
how he
not
stays
good.
afloat on his tail. Mm-hmm. Because he's psychic.
Man, that's not good. Oh,
That's
man.
so good. That's
That's
wonderful.
not good for Mr.
That's
Vloggy.
amazing.
Hold on, I have an idea. Hold on. Yes.
Share your idea with the chat.
No.
Oh.
I'm trying to think. Alright, you know what? For now, let's keep it this way. Come on, he didn't get to use an attack. Poor Litten. He needs to evolve. That's the thing. He needs to evolve.
Alright. Alright. Let's see. Come on.
Nice.
Thank you. Alright. Oh. God
Oh, come on, really?
damn it. Yes! I was hoping that would happen.
There's 1 in 4 chances that happens, and it happened. 1 in 4, 25%.
That's great. Oh, I forgot about. Oh, you're going down. You're going down.
Yeah, I think I am going down again.
Because I just realized. Yeah, well, you'll see.
Oh, I did a boo-boo. Oops, I did a mistake.
You did a boo boo.
Yeah, I did a bad one. I did a bad one. Ah.
I realized that Psychic does. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, okay.
No, of course it failed now. I should have anticipated that.
That was your boo boo?
Yeah, I went against
that was your
Magneton.
boo-boo.
It was supposed to go against. It was supposed to be against.
Oh. Yeah, Raichu.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh
I'm gonna
no!
make
Oh,
like-
hang on. Sorry, I yelled. Man. Because I did a boo boo, then I thought I couldn't change it, but okay.
I think you're gonna. Oh, yeah, you're too slow to rest.
Yeah.
Just realized that. Well, take care, Snorlax.
Have a great time.
Thank you for coming. Bye.
Then he's down. That's okay. I still have another ace up my sleeve.
Okay. Okay, I want to see your ace.
I'm just watching Vloggy get owned. No pun intended.
That's so intricate. Lots
I
of
don't get the
strategy.
pun.
The fun
I'm
fact
getting owned! Ugh. That's fine. I still have an ace up my
It's
sleeve.
not even this is not even that strategic. We just play with what we have. If you want to see actual strategic battles, you should see the Pokemon Leagues, like the actual Pokemon Championships. Those are intricate. People have notepads next to their 3DS, and we have like a 60-minute match time, and that's like too much for us. But they actually take it down to like last 5 minutes because there's so much thought involved into it. A lot
Yeah.
of mind games too. Okay. All right.
Alright. Please work. Oh man, I lack speed. That's the thing. I lack speed.
And discipline.
But you have evolved Pokemon. Come on, admit that. You have evolved Pokemon. My Pokemon are all
You have a
babies.
Leafeon. Shut up.
Yeah, just that. That's the only one. Oh, come on! Come on!
Oh, my parents are gonna hear that. Ooh.
Oh, come on, flinch at least once. No, nothing.
No.
Alright. That's fine.
Gotta be the very best. Like no one ever.
All I have is
was.
Leafeon that's evolved and Metang, and that's it.
I mean, you can evolve Litten if you want. But
No, not yet.
You gotta
Now's not the time.
Well, then you gotta deal with loss right now.
Yeah,
we
I'm
should
gonna.
fight when we're done and we beat the league.
Yeah, we are gonna fight once they're all fully evolved and beat the league and all that stuff. Definitely.
Okay, this one is. No wait. Oh yeah, you already used your
Oh, you haven't! Ah! Oh man.
I just realized something. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go and do this. Yes! Yes! And Barry's what? 24, just making a guess. Well,
Nah.
that's cute. I like that
Hold
guess.
on.
No, I'm actually
16.
17. But let's say I'm old in spirit. I do
Alright,
come
we're
off
good.
as mature.
Wow, he's strong. You're righteous, very strong.
And fast.
And
Well, you
fast.
gotta keep in mind, I did 2 nasty plots.
Ouch.
Which- my
Ooh,
special
wow. I didn't
Wow.
stand a chance.
Wow.
GG, man. Well done.
Oh, that was it?
good. That was it. That was it. That was it. Bye, have a great time.
Well, you
Oh,
did take down my. What was that? Bye, have a great time?
Bye, have a great time.
What is that from?
My Pokemon are dead. Bye, have a great time.
I like that. You should do that at the end of your streams.
No, I can't make it a thing. No, because I got it from another
17?
stream. I don't want to copy him.
Who?
His name is Xpen TV. He plays a lot of Minecraft and Ark
Yeah,
Survivor.
I think I know him. Yeah. Does he have dark hair?
Yeah, he's got like a beard.
Does
He's got
does
a
his
beard.
profile picture have a green screen?
Yeah, him. That's right.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
him.
okay.
Yeah, him.
Does he say that? Like,
Yeah, he
bye,
goes,
have a
"Bye, have a
great
great-"
time.
He usually says that to people when he bans them. They troll, he bans them. Bye, have a great time. Oh, I suck. Bye, have a great time. Oh, I'm a noob. Really? Bye, have a great time.
Does he say that in that accent?
Yes, he does it like that. Bye, have a great time.
Is that like his actual accent, or is it only for that?
No, it's not. It's not his. He's American. He's just.
Oh, I like that so much. I like that accent. How many
But
times
yeah.
did you play? We fought 2 times.
We fought 2 times. You want to go another one? One last one. But let's change Pokemon though.
I don't have any. Well,
We'll see. Come on, let's
Alright.
anticipate. I don't know what I have either. I'm gonna go through my Pokemon and see what I have. Let's see what we can come up with.
all right.
I'm gonna go. I don't need to go to the
I have a
Pokemon
good
Center, do I?
Oh, I did.
We don't have to though, because we when you choose your team.
Oh,
Or do
yeah,
you?
I-
Okay,
well,
hold on. No.
whatever.
I'm gonna go.
I have a great time. Oh yeah, these are fucking. Oh, oops, I can't swear.
You
on
can't
this
swear on my
stream.
streams, please.
Bad. Well, we did say. Well,
That's-
you did say.
That's nice and considerate of you though.
You said heck, and you explained what it was
I
about.
said heck.
Yeah.
Me and my heck.
Yeah. That means fence in Dutch.
Fence?
Yes, like an obstruction, like a wall.
Interesting.
Heck.
Alright. I got an idea. Alright. Let's see what I can pull off.
Oh god, these things are so bad. These are all baby Pokemon.
Even mine, they're all baby. I'm gonna fight you with baby Pokemon, but it's fine. I don't mind.
We can do the little cup tier.
Exactly. That's what it's gonna be. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, let's make a rule. Only baby Pokemon, like first stage Pokemon.
Okay. All right. We'll do that. Okay.
Deal?
Okay. All right. So that one goes away.
Okay, that's interesting. I like that.
Obviously, I may have to
think about-
recycle some of the Pokemon because I don't have enough to make a team of 6. But
Really?
yeah,
Oh.
but it's gonna be fun still. Oh, they're all babies. Don't worry.
Don't you throw in a Matang, don't you dare.
No, Matang is evolved. I can't.
I know, but like don't.
Talk about Pokemon. Is Pokemon Go still a thing? I don't think so, Sakura. Is Pokemon
Isn't
Go?
it going to get a second generation since like 2 months ago?
Yeah, they are going to. There's already Pichu and Togepi, and there's already new ones. But it's not enough to get me into the game. I think I will check it out again when they actually launch the full second generation, because I'm a fan of Totodile.
By the way, are we gonna do a double match or single?
I don't mind, whatever. What would you like?
I'm probably single.
No,
Yeah,
we'll do a single,
single.
sure.
I swing best single.
Sing. All right. I think
I
we're
wanted
good.
to give Shadow Claw to Ghastly, but he doesn't even have hands, so that wouldn't work.
You know what I've been playing a lot on my phone lately? Super Mario Run. It's so good.
Hmm.
My team has been decided. I'm good to go.
Are you?
But no rush.
I am a genius with these names.
I am a sedentary guy as well, and I used to play Pokemon Go with a hack. I used to move the character with directional buttons.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I went all the way to Italy on foot. Oh man,
You're a what does that mean? Sedentary?
it means sedentary. Sedentary. It means like a sitting down kind of guy.
Oh, oh.
I think
Well,
all
just
I think
didn't
all gamers and nerds are sedentary guys. So sedentary people.
That's interesting. I've never heard of that word before.
Yeah.
Thank you, Levy. You made me smarter today.
You see, we both learned new
Sedentary
words. I learned cow
lifestyle.
cow. I learned cow cow. And you
And
learned
I learned sedentary.
exactly.
That's so cool. God, this is gonna be so bad. All right, you know what? Fuck it. Oh, sorry.
Shh. Bye. Have a great time.
And I'm banned. I'm sorry. It's just a force of
It's
habit.
okay. It's funny how many people I get on stream saying, "Do you swear?" Why do they care so much? Because they look for family-friendly streams, you know.
And it's funny because I think most of the people in your chat are, well, your
That's-
age.
The thing is this, though. The thing is this. It's because I play kind of grown-uppy games. Let's just say
You play
grown
Resident
up.
Evil, so what do you expect,
Exactly.
children?
So I get a lot of people who subscribe to me for playing Resident Evil, and then I play Pokemon. They're like, "Man, I'm not into this." So I don't blame them for not showing up on stream. And then there's the other way around. Sometimes I'm playing Minecraft or Pokemon, and they subscribe, and then they come back to my channel. They see a bunch of Resident Evil, and they're like, "What is this?" You know. So at least I want to keep.
I get that.
I want to keep consistency, at least in my language. You know, at least I want to keep, because whenever I play
That's fair.
Pokemon and Minecraft, I get a lot of kids asking like, "Do you swear?" Like, why are they asking? You know. In fact, going back to that streamer Xpen, all right, he plays a lot of Minecraft, and
Right.
he used to and he used to swear on his streams, and
Used to.
he used to. And then he got a lot of people asking, "Listen, do you swear?" Eventually, he decided to change something on his channel. Whenever he streams Minecraft, he doesn't swear. Call of Duty he does, any other game he does, but Minecraft he doesn't swear because he gets a lot of kids watching. It's very interesting. You have to cater for the audience.
I get that. So yeah, he adapts to the audience.
Exactly.
Should I host?
Yeah, go ahead and host. Do the Pika Cup or whatever it is. Pika Cup? No, it's not the Pika Cup. What were you calling it?
The little cup.
The little cup.
Yeah, it's like all the unevolved and never
A small
used
cup
Pokemon.
size. A small cup size. A cup.
Yeah,
The A cup.
exactly. I can't find you in the guest list though.
I'm connecting to the internet now. Hang on.
Come on, Fluffy.
There we go. Connected. I'm in. I'm in.
I can see you. Like I can see you in the overworld. You say squirm for some reason.
Because I squirm a lot.
It just says squirm when I walk towards your character.
Bear is inviting
why
you.
it's-
Okay. Participate.
I am requesting a single battle. This is gonna be fun. If not,
Look.
bye, have a great time.
Sakura's gonna try to speak in Maltese. Jiprovaw dan il-ken inti blow it-testjar, lol, I kid. I read it as it is, but the sentence does not make sense. Jiprovaw dan, it means trying this. Ken inti blow, it means I suck. Okay, I got what you meant.
Okay.
I think that's what she means.
Itestiar.
It-testjar means testing.
Oh. Huh.
It-testjar.
That's like,
I find
what
it
would
sweet.
be- That is written as how it would be in Latin, right? You guys have your own symbols as well, like
No,
adaptations.
we don't. No, it's alphabet, regular alphabet.
Yeah, but you guys have like some. You guys have like dots or something.
Yes, we have two types of Z's. We have the Z
Yeah,
with a
that
dot
was
on it. It's pronounced Z. And then we have a Z without a dot. It's pronounced Z. It's like TS. Z.
Oh, it's like the German. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Then we have two types of H's. We have the regular H, and that is not pronounced in a word. Whenever you see that kind of H, you don't pronounce it. It's pretend like it's not there. And then we have the H with a little slit across the top, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's pronounced as H, like hospital. And then we have two G's as well. We have the G with a dot, which is pronounced J, as in giraffe. And then we have the G without a
Right.
dot, which is pronounced G, like goat. So we make a distinction between the G for giraffe and the G for goat. You see what I mean? Temp King, you got blocked. You're probably kidding. I know you are, but you got blocked because that word is blocked. Did you see it, Barry? Because he's a mod. You can see it, Barry.
I can. I just responded to him.
You know who he is, eh? Probably.
Who
No?
is it?
I don't know. He says you remember who I am.
I mean, if I have to keep in mind how many times I've been told I was gay on the internet, then well, I would be rich if I got like 100 euros for each time I got told something. I don't know. Oh, you're a gay. Okay. Bye. Have a great time.
Was he
Ooh,
trolling?
I don't know. I don't know him.
Oh, you don't. Maybe he was on your
No.
streams and he's kidding. I don't know. I mean, if people
don't
come
know.
into my streams jokingly saying, haha, gay, you suck, noob, if they're my friends, if it's Sakura, for instance, or Dash, or
funny.
my regulars. Okay, Dash, take your time, buddy. You know, if they're my regulars and they come and say, noob, you know, that's fine. But if it's a newcomer, never saw him before, and he goes, noob, whatever, you know.
I get you.
Okay, let's go. This kind of spoils the point of the Pokemon that we have. I can't use the element of surprise.
Well, you can. I brought a terrible team. I brought a really bad team. Oh,
Me too,
no.
me too. There's one Pokemon that scares me out of the whole team that you have. There's one that scares me. I won't say which one.
You what, mate?
Final. Finally get blocked. You don't. It doesn't show. No, but nobody can see that. All right, here we go. Here we go. This one I'm gonna win. I have a feeling. Sakura, I don't know if I asked you already, but are you in for some January Resident Evil streams? I did ask my last stream. I don't know if you were there. I forgot. But yeah, let's stream. Keep on, bound.
Oh, wow. Okay. We have the same mindset. Oh wait, no, but that's an ice type one. All right. So this is Little Cup.
Yes, Vloggy, I'm waiting for you. Okay, okay, January. We're gonna do. I'm gonna play all of them. So nice and ouch.
Oh, I thought Bone Club hit more. Because I thought it was like a boomerang
Let
move.
me try something. Hold on.
I
Baron
don't-
Vloggy,
oh.
any of you know a Slowpoke can turn into a Slope King? Yes, we do. Yes,
course
we
we
do.
Oh, you B word.
Oh, not good enough. Let's try one more.
I did not mean to do that. Okay.
Yeah, definitely Sakura.
Ah. Oh. Oh.
Because of my iron defense.
Yeah, I know.
You know what the crappy part about this Sandshrew is? I'll tell you what it is. What the crappy part is after he gets defeated.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're admitting it already. I think it should take one more. Yeah. It's like 2 pixels of health left.
Yeah, that's enough to deal another round.
Yeah, because I'm gonna make this. There we go.
So the crappy part about the Sandshrew is... What?
Oh, wow.
What? You missed?
I missed. Yes.
Whoa! It's about time something went my way.
Oh, now I'm gonna send something out faster.
I was gonna say what the crappy part about the Sandshrew is, but I'm gonna wait for him to faint before I say it. Ghastly.
Ghastly. Hey, Dada.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Alright, that's it. I got nothing
Come on,
against...
try slash. Do slash.
Nothing, I can't do anything.
You can do another iron defense.
Nothing.
Thanks.
The problem was that all Sandshrew had was normal type moves. He didn't have any ice type.
Okay. was
So
that it?
I had an ice type Pokemon for nothing, basically. Well, that's okay.
Ghastly. I'm curious as to which Pokemon you fear the most. Out of my team.
Huh. Alright. Let's go. My ding ding dong. Hang on, let's do it again. My ding ding dong. Swampy does it perfectly. I love it. He keeps a straight face.
Yeah,
My
he
ding ding
can.
dong.
Oh, wait. No. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I just. No.
I did a boo boo as well, huh? I shouldn't have taken out this
I
Pokemon.
did a bad boo boo.
Actually, that's not a bad. That's not a bad. That's not a bad move. But it needs to be used strategically. My ding ding
I
dong.
forgot that it doesn't actually. No, that was a bad move.
Ouch. There we go.
Or was it? Oh, I can live with that. Well, you're probably gonna switch anyway.
I am now. Thank you for reminding me. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna switch actually.
Or are you?
My ding ding dong.
Ooh, okay, alright.
Yeah, baby.
Show's over, get out.
Interesting.
I'ma get you.
Interesting.
This one looks so drunk.
What does this move do? Hold on.
I don't know.
Stupid. What about this move? Interesting. Alright. No, I'm gonna keep going at this. I know it's not gonna make a lot of difference, but... Oh, wow! Alright.
Oh, wow.
Okay. GG.
Oh, alright.
Okay, good. But it's good enough for me. Alright,
I honestly
Here we
think
go.
you're gonna win this one.
okay. I gotta win. I gotta win this one. Come on. My Chikorita! I love Chikorita. Alright. Alright, let's try this. I'm gonna try something new, kind of.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. Leech Seed. What? Excuse me? What?
Alright.
I like how it's waving its head.
That's so adorable.
And then yeah.
And I wanted her to be a female. Chikorita has to be a
Should
female.
have called it Chikorita, like CK.
Interesting.
But that wouldn't work if you evolve it. Wait, no, it evolves into a Bayleaf, so you could have called it Bayleaf.
Bay, B-A-E, Bayleaf.
Yeah. And then Meganium would be...
Ooh, nice.
Through your Leech Seed. Well, good move. Good
And now I
strategy.
wonder, is Leech Seed still gonna be in effect now or not?
No,
eh?
no.
That was the question.
Okay.
I'm scared now.
You're scared?
I think so. I think I'm scared.
Okay. You shouldn't be.
Next time we battle, next time we battle, you should stream it, eh? Because I want to see it from your perspective.
Of course you want to.
Why? Of course I want. No, it's because
Yeah.
it would be nice. Whenever I stream with the others. Oh no! Ooh! Oh,
That's
flinched!
how it
You're kidding me!
That's what Fake Out does. Duh.
No, but doesn't always flinch. Fake out.
50% chance.
Oh, I attacked first, and you were. Oh, come on, seriously?
Ooh.
Ah, nice one.
Oh, it looks so sad when it's going down.
Oh man,
Like, oh.
that's fine. That's fine.
That's great, even.
Thinking. I'm thinking.
Makuhita is a very odd Pokemon. Like, it looked like a punching bag.
I hate Makuhita.
Punching bag.
He looks like an actual bag.
Yeah. Yeah. Baguhita. Alright, what's your next?
All right,
move?
go. I got a strategy. Again, a childish strategy, but that's all I have.
It's childish. Oh, are you gonna...
Yeah, a very basic one, I mean. Children do it, probably.
Ew. Get the... Okay. Alright. Alright. Disgusting. You're disgusting.
Please work. Please work. Please
You're
work.
disgusting.
Please work. Please work. I will sing tra-la-la if I win. Ooh!
Poison gas.
Nice.
Is it toxic? Is it gonna make me...
Yep.
Oh. No, it's not toxic.
Yes, it is. Poisoned, I mean.
Yeah, well, yeah, but toxic hurts more than poison.
Yeah. It's fine. It's good enough. It's good enough. Okay, my strategy is gonna win. Definitely.
Oh, well, alright, that's not really gonna matter.
Why?
Because I'm gonna do the counter move to that.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
wait, oh no.
but you're poisoned.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
you're right, yeah. But. No, that's alright. That's alright.
Come on, I deserve to win one.
You do. What? You go first?
I don't know why that switched. I don't know why that changed. Ooh, critical.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Oh no, no.
Why no?
That's terrible. That was a
That's
critical hit. I'm not gonna get
fine.
that again. Welcome back, Dash. Oh, you are disgusting.
Welcome back, Dash. I love how we're countering each other's moves.
What type is this? Is
What?
it fighting?
What? My
A Alolan
Yours?
Grimer.
Ah,
No,
Alolan Grimer.
yours.
Interesting. I'm gonna find out now. Actually, hold on.
Yeah, it says fighting. Wait, what?
No, really? Poison and Dark. No, Poison and Dark. Mine. We're talking about mine, yeah?
Poison and dark. Poison and dark.
Yeah.
Screw you.
Mwah.
You disgusting. You disgusting.
Mwah. Fear me.
Yeah, I think you got me beat now.
Now then, can I do another one perhaps? Let's see. Sakura. Oh, you. I like your accent.
Sakurai's?
Mm-hmm. You ever heard her talk
No.
on my streams? Yeah, I played with her.
Oh, wait. Was it when you guys were holding up the wall or the door?
No, that was with Amy. Sakura, I played Resident Evil 6 with her. I think twice. Once with voice chat. Now I'm gonna pound you.
This is such a disgusting strategy.
But it works.
This is making me sad.
I like these kind of strategies.
Yeah, they're good though. It's just I have nothing to counter this.
I like these kind of like even the one with the sand attack. Huh? You know, you have no idea how much it works. I do sand attack like 5 times, and you're never gonna hit me again. You know, maybe once. It's so good. You keep missing. Now we keep something in mind. Well, actually nothing. I'll tell you afterwards. I don't want to help you. Mitsubishi? Really?
Yeah. What?
Nice! Nice! Wow! How did that happen?
I don't know.
You didn't know that.
I did not know.
Nice!
How did I do that?
Now you have a bigger Pokemon. Your Pokemon kind of mega evolved.
I guess. Whoa. Okay. Okay.
Brian.
There you go.
Oh, critical hit! Yeah, son of a biscuit.
Okay. That's interesting. I don't know how I triggered that.
Interesting. I like that.
That is some Mitsubishi. Yes. That's a lot of Mitsubishi.
And I was like, teeny tiny fishy. It turned into a giant fishy.
Pathetic. Okay, this is actually kind of scary.
Yeah, this one is. Hold on, I want to check something though first. Ooh, nice.
I tried catching a Magby in the game.
I have a Magby. If you want, I'll breed one for you if you couldn't find one. I have
I
one.
could find one, but it kept calling in for a Magmar.
Because I use it so that I can hatch eggs
Oh
faster.
my
No
God,
way!
Yes. Oh, if I can I think I can live this. If I live this, oh my god, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh.
No way!
Ooh, live.
We're both gonna die. We're both gonna faint at the same time.
Yeah. Oh,
Look at this.
Make it. Yes.
We're both gonna faint. We're both gonna faint.
Oh, it comes down to our last Pokemon.
Both of us, yeah?
Yeah, which Pokemon do you have?
No, I'm not gonna tell you. Surprise. And he's down. Wow. It all comes down to this. The types. It all comes down to the type. To the types of Pokemon. Oh man. I'm scared.
Oh god.
I'm scared. Go!
Yes.
Geodude!
Whoa, he's in a Alolan form? Oh man.
Ah, man.
Oh man.
Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Do you think you're gonna win?
Wait, what type are you? You're electric!
No! No! Oh my goodness!
What? Oh, you're gonna... Really? Oh, can I lift this? Can I lift this? Can I lift this? Can I lift
No! 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 Unbelievable! Oh my goodness! GG, well done! Whoa!
That was insane!
That was epic! That was so good! That was
That
so
was
good!
such a fun battle.
That was
Oh,
so...
that was really exciting.
Oh man, I was
I'm gonna
thinking...
save that one.
That was... Yeah, this one is as a
I was
save.
like, oh, he's gonna use an electric attack.
Oh, no, I didn't have any. All I had was... I forgot what they
'Cause
were,
you're an
but...
electric type. You're like rock electric.
So good. That was so good.
That
No.
was GG. I'll take my beanie off for that in spirits. Because I won't actually take it off.
You didn't let me take it off when I met you.
No.
I was tempted, but I was like, no, I'm not going to do that.
To just jerk it off. Well, if you've done that, then I would have. Let's not
Nah.
talk about that.
I know how sensitive you get over your penis. I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that. I just met the guy.
Yeah,
Oh,
what
man.
about you?
That was so good. That was a good battle. I like that. Oh, I look forward for another
Yes.
one next time. But I need to get my act together.
Hmm?
I need to get my act together when it comes to these. When it comes to my team, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh man. I actually held my breath there for a moment.
Mine didn't work. The self-destruct. Maybe it would have worked if it was
It
explosion.
was a daring move, but I would say Slowpoke has decent defense, doesn't it?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
pretty tanky.
Yeah.
So if it was, you would have definitely blown away the Mitsubishi if it was not like schooled.
Man.
Good job though. That was good.
I was like, if I'm going down, I'm gonna take you with me. It didn't work. It didn't work.
Well, do you consider a draw to be worse than a lose or a loss?
No, I consider a
it's
loss to
weird.
be worse. If I take you down with me, you didn't win. We both died. It's not a loss for me. It's a loss for both
It's
of
like
us.
a final heck you.
It's a final. It's a final.
Countdown. Da-da-da-da.
It's like last resort, kind of.
Bye. Have a great time.
I have a great time a lot.
Yeah.
36.
We should do this again.
Definitely.
So are you gonna go and continue the game?
I'm gonna continue the quest for another half an hour, but then I need to eat something, shower,
Right.
and
Right.
have an early night,
There's a few
hopefully.
things.
Unless somebody else streams, probably.
All right.
Probably.
In that case, I'm gonna go and let you do your story because I don't want to get any spoils and
Yeah, fair enough.
enjoy your Alolan story. And I'm gonna go and jump back in at Fasty Paces. You should check him out. The guy who rated me.
Yeah, what's he called again?
Fasty Pace, but it's spelled like Fasty. Fasty.
Fasty Pace. I'll check him out. Yeah,
He's very nice.
yeah.
There's a lot of people in his chat, but he does his best to respond to everyone.
That's good. That's good. All right.
All right.
Thank you so much for hanging out, Barry. Thank you so much for the battle. Thank you for trashing me.
Yeah. No problem. I'll happily do it in the future.
Man.
All right. Take care, Vloggy, and take care, Vloggy viewers.
See ya, Barry. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great time. All right. The old supermarket where I hold my trial is right down this way, down Route 14. Let's go. So there used to be a supermarket here, and now it's a gym thing. Yeah, I am going to prepare a team, but the thing is, even the current team that I have, which I am working hard on to train, you know, these are good Pokemon, but they need to evolve. I need to have a Metagross, alright? I need to have a powerful Snorlax. You know, I need to have a Golduck. I need to have my fully evolved Litten. You know, so that's fine. That's fine. They are worth the wait. I don't know how to get up there. How do I get up there? Here we are. Climb up these steps and my trial begins. The time has finally come, Vloggy. So I guess I should explain what kind of trial this is, huh? I guess. This whole building is full of lots of ghost types Pokemon. Did you know? I know now. Here's where the trial part comes in. You've got to find the totem Pokemon of this site and snap a shot of it with a Pokemon Finder. The totem is a bit of a trickster and it likes to play hide and seek and mess around. If you take pictures of another ghost type Pokemon inside, it'll definitely come out to get in on the fun and have its photo taken too. So if you see something weird happening inside this old place, try to check it out. I bet you find a ghost type Pokemon causing the mischief. So get its photo before it's gone. I'll just borrow your Pokefinder for a sec. Hehe! And your Rotom is a ghost type too. What? What? Yes, when I fully evolve my team, I won't have an excuse. I'll have to come up with a new excuse. But that was a good battle, I really enjoyed it. You are a worthy opponent. We just do this and... There, I've set up to use special shooting mode just for this trial. You'll only be able to use it at this site though. As soon as you enter the building, your trial will begin. Got it? And you can't catch any of the Pokemon either. And you can't leave without giving up too, so make sure you're ready for anything. Okay. How you evolve? Some of them evolve with experience when they reach a certain level, and some of them you have to evolve. They have to meet some criteria, for instance. Some of them require a stone. You need to buy a stone and use it on them. Some of them need to reach a certain level of happiness, kind of. Let's go into the supermarket. Trial started. This feels like a Resident Evil game now. The conveyor belt started moving all by itself. I'm loving this! Will Philosopher's Stone do the job? Yes, but on Philosopher type Pokemon. Oh, how cool! How cool! I can move it around with the camera. Oh no, the Pokemon spotted you! Ghastly! Oh, I cannot catch ghost type Pokemon here, eh? Zen Headbutt? Oh, Confusion. Which one is the strongest? Hold on. This one is 80. And this one is 50. Okay, so Zen Headbutt's definitely stronger. Okay. He used Curse. Curse you! I like the setting of this trial, an abandoned supermarket. I like that. Look, a Pikachu! What the heck? A Pikachu! Did you guys see that? That was a Pikachu. It's gone now. Once again, I have to... Aura, look, a Haunter. Sorry, I said Aura. It means look. Haunter! Pokemon spotted me. I wonder what the fuss was all about that Pikachu. I don't know what was that all about. Alright. Zen Headbutt! Ooh, wow. Oh yes, I need to care for him now. But this is good because they're like free paralyze heals. I like this. It's not a gimmick anymore. It's actually useful. Look at him enjoying it. I'm gonna rub his nose. There you go. You like that, huh? Grab them by the peak. You know I was gonna say the same thing, Varro. But I decided not to. Look, Pikachu went up there. I don't see any... Gengar! 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 Look over here. Oh, he walked away. Oh no, I missed out. Where'd he go? He's gone. He's gone now. But they're still floating. I don't see him anymore. I have to give up. I don't see him. Oh, he's there. Gengar. This reminds me of the demo. The Pokemon Sun and Moon demo was kind of like this. I'm gonna finish this trial and then end the stream, but I want to finish another trial at least. Alright, so, fight, Zen Headbutt. Go! Oh, they are faster than me. Yeah, baby. 33. Meow! No. Still not the time. Yeah, Pokemon Snap. Remember that, Varo? So good. I keep following this Pikachu. You didn't do a thing, but the lock clicked open. You can feel a pair of eyes sizing you up. The Pokefinder fired up all on its own. Uh-oh. Again, I'm doing this thing where I have to turn my phone around. Where are you? Where are you? Wow, it's 360. I have to turn around completely. Lovely! So it wasn't a Pikachu, it's this thing. See me? What? Is this it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mimikyu. Uh-oh. This is it then. Are you Psychic type? I don't know what type it is. Let's try Zen Headbutt, and we'll take it from there. Whoa! Whoa! No way! That's fine. Leafeon. In your good hands. Or paws. Hey, Tyler! I don't have any shinies to trade. Hunter! Whoa. That's one down. I hope he doesn't call another one. Well, I'd like to get one of these Pokemon, Mimikyu. Oh, wow. Let's do this. It's Ghost and Fairy. That's good to know. But now, I'm gonna do my Z move. If he's a Super Saiyan Pokemon, I become a Super Saiyan. Ouch. No, that's it. You did well, Leafeon. You did well. I'll give you one if you want, and I could give you some strong Pokemon. I'm not really interested in strong Pokemon, but I like shinies. All I have is starters. Right now, what I'm breeding is just starters, if you want. Is my stream acting up? Seems like my stream is acting up, is that right? I'm gonna close. I don't know why, but it's acting up right now. I don't know why. I hope it doesn't do it again. But for a second, it feels like I was dropping frames. I don't know if it's true or not. Where's my stylus? I'm still good? Alright, thank you, Dash. But all of a sudden, it started changing into red and orange and yellow and went to red completely. And the kilobits per second dropped to 0 completely for a second. We'll see. Let's go. Alright, so, Psychic! No! That's fine, I think. Whoa! Whoa! Seriously? Okay, okay. Whoa. Yeah, thank you for the feedback. Thank you for the feedback, everyone. Oh, man. If it's a ghost type, then I should be okay to lick it. Yes, it paralyzed. Okay. It's good as cake. It does the same thing as well, Dash. Okay. Oh man, he keeps calling out for allies. Bite. Let's try again on Mimikyu. Wow, wow, I'm struggling with this one. You know what? Alright. He is very strong. He is very strong. Do I have any revives? I have... It doesn't say how many I have. Oh, just one. Okay. I need to make this count. Ah, Litten. Is there a revive berry? That's why I'm going through all of them. What? What does it say? Confusion? That's not good. Rage candy bar. What does this do? Okay. Revive. There they are. Oh, just one! Psyduck. I'm using Snorlax as a... as a time waster. Should be okay, I think. Alright, let's go. Let's go again. Ouch. If I can take down Mimikyu up, I'm good. Wasn't Mimikyu paralyzed? Oh, come on! Vulpix, you're my only hope. Help me, Obi-Wan. Ah, Quick Claw, okay. He's down at least. Maybe I can freeze him? Use the rocket launcher. Oh, he's frozen solid! Yes! What does Grudge do? I don't want to waste time. Another Ice Beam. Finish him! Finish him! Oh, he was holding a berry. Okay. Okay. I was looking at chat probably. Wow, that took forever. Well, that was quite the chore, huh? It wasn't easy. Welcome back, Vloggy. I can check your pictures right away. Now let's see how you did. Yep, that's Mimikyu, alright. That's pretty hard to catch it on film, so this is a really good 8th attempt, which means... Yeah! Trial complete! Ghostium Z is yours. Okay. Thank you. So that's it, I finished the trial, yeah? I'm gonna go heal up, and I want to catch a Mimikyu now. There was something behind him. Did you guys see that? There was something over here. Hold on. My Pokemon are hurt. Yeah, I'm not gonna go for it for now. Hold on. Let me just go heal. Oh, wow. No, while I'm at it, I almost forgot. I need to find a way to catch that. How do you get Magearna? I need to get Magearna while I'm here. Let's get Magearna. Get Magearna. Sun and Moon. Now's your chance for Magearna. Hold on, guys, because I forgot about this. So, to get the QR for Magearna, you need to see the movie. What? The movie. To successfully scan the code, you need to have defeated the Elite Four and become the Alola Region Champion. What? I still can't do it then? Oh. To successfully scan the code, you need to have it. Oh, man. And it ends when? Oh. Oh, man, I can't get it then. Never mind. Yeah, it was a Mimikyu. I'm gonna go for it. But I'm gonna go heal up first. I want the Mimikyu. I want it. Oh, look at that. Nice. Oh, this is how you get up there. Okay. There's something I need to pick up. Look. Max Potion. Let's go get Mimikyu. I want him. I want him. It. She. Something. I want that in my team. Let's go get him. Even a Ghastly, actually. I'm gonna get a Ghastly as well. Apparently Mimikyu has some interesting qualities. Let's see. Golbat. Nope. Ah, he couldn't get away. I hate these. Let me go! You couldn't get away. I hate these. Haunter. I'm gonna take Haunter down with me. Level 30. That's good. Can he handle a confusion attack? Let's see. Oh, nice. Oh, he could. Ooh, never mind. That's fine. Oh, come on. Maybe there are no Mimikyus in here except for that one. Oh, come on. Oh, no, I definitely can't run away. I can't even switch Pokemon now, I think. No. I have to fight him now. I got no choice. Klefki! Yeah, a set of keys. It's one of the worst Pokemon designs ever. Huh. Wasn't there a door here? Hey Alonso, welcome. Nice to see you. Nice. Come on, let's get out of here. Okay, that's good. Okay, so maybe I need to fire my fire up my. No, it's not here. That's just the Pokédex, though. It's not the Pokédex I'm looking for. The Pokefinder thing, the scanner. Where is it? What is this? Oh, it's just... Okay, never mind. Come on! It's not the Pokédex then. Maybe it's something in the bag. I don't know. I don't know. Let me just check again the Pokédex to see if there's... If I am in the right spot for Mimikyu. Habitats. It's found on a different island. It's not here. It's not on this island. The game trolled me. It's literally the sound of keys. Oh, come on. Let me go. Let me go. Run. You got away safely. Oh, come on. Yes, vloggy Pokemon in the first two gens had a simple and basic design experiment. Exactly! A set of keys. I mean, come on. Can I run? Alright, let's take a chance at Haunter. Let's try get Haunter. Haunter! Can you handle a bite attack? Ah, you couldn't. Too bad. Yeah, probably should. Yeah, I should probably save before a battle. I have a habit of not saving. I'm so used to games auto-saving these days. Exactly. Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Okay, I am gonna end the stream here because it's getting late. I need to eat something. I need to call my mom. I'm gonna save. I was gonna forget. There we go. I'm gonna end off the stream here. Thank you all so much for hanging out. Thank you for Barry. Thank you for Barry. Thank you, Barry, for the amazing battles. It was fun, even though I got my ass handed to me. It was fun. It's not about winning, guys. Okay, it's not about winning. It's about the journey, the experience. It's about having fun. If you didn't have fun, then you are a loser. If you had fun, you are a winner. All right, guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I look forward to see you next time. Thank you, Philly. Thank you, Var. Thank you, Alonso. Whoever's here, Sakura. I don't know who's here. Dash. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye. Bye. Have a great time. Ciao.